belong. No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you.
They will fall as well.
Death of Olympus means the death of us all.
Then prepare for your death, Poseidon.
Should have kept you where you belong. No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you.
They will fall as well.
Death of Olympus means the death of us all.
Then prepare for your death, Poseidon. You challenge me, God of Olympus. You have disrespected the gods for the last time, Kratos. I will leave nothing of you in my wake. A true warrior does not hide. Leave the sea and face me. Greatness of Olympus.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, yeah. Bringing it down. Oh, there we are. Yo. Nothing better than a little pump song to start the morning. 49-7 and counting. You know what that means. Little pump song. Best way to start the day, but you know what's even better? Better way. Is with green candles, that's right. Sorry, just checking the audio levels are a little all over the place. Here we are. I didn't plan on being live for another hour and change. So I wasn't quite ready, but the charts have called us, fam. We're on our treadmills. We've got our charts open. And we've got the green candles, baby. So let's check out Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Interesting note. Let's make two of them. One, Super Bowl yesterday. I don't care about the Super Bowl. Taylor Swift won, in my opinion. Anyway, regardless of that, we had no crypto commercials at the Super Bowl this year. Last year, in 23 and in 22, I believe we had every commercial in the Super Bowl for crypto, and it seemed like a really bullish time. I think I've learned the lesson that crypto commercials are not bullish. Not bullish at all. Not bullish at all. I thought this pump would actually come last night. We did get a little bit of movement, but not quite what I was looking for. I figured if everyone was distracted It was the perfect time for Bitcoin to let it rip. I guess it wanted to give everyone a shot, give everyone a minute to kind of nurse their hangovers and get to the charts. Very unlike Bitcoin. Speaking of Bitcoin, really quickly here, I just got an alert. Let's pull this up. Coinbase putting on some gains. Not bad. Not bad. Last Wednesday traded down to 115. Now at 145. That's a pretty big gain there. We were looking for a lower high here on Coinbase. So provided this rally continues, we might have been wrong. However, this is kind of still in the path of what we expected. 150, then maybe down to that 100 level or 100 level to 50. Not bad. I got to put in a new alert here. I'm going to set it for 161, and I'm going to check back because coin is just not that interesting to me right now. Bitcoin right now in this moment trading at a multi-year high. Less than 1% from 50K, baby. 50K brings us a $1 trillion Bitcoin market cap. Likely pushes the total crypto market cap over 2 trillion. And if anything, is just a really solid psychological number. As soon as we see this 50 hit, I'm going to tweet. But we're going to see news articles. We're going to see everyone spewing out, oh my God, Bitcoin's above 50K. This is where it gets a little sketchy. This is where it gets sketchy. What I'm hoping for today, I'm hoping we break 50K. It seems all but, it already happened basically. Sitting here 0.5% away from it. I'd like to see 50K break, but I'd also like to see that hype, that kind of mainstream attachment. I'd like to see that not happen. I'd like to see it kind of go under the radar, and I have a little hunch as to why that might happen. I was thinking about it this weekend, and I realized that this is, in my knowledge, and chat, feel free to correct me here, the first time that Bitcoin has ever been in this scenario. The scenario is stocks at all-time highs. We see S&P, we see NASDAQ breaking all-time highs and just blasting off. Bitcoin sitting underneath its all-time high. I'm not sure we've had this combination. And it's been kind of irking me. Where's all the hype? You know, Bitcoin's gone up a lot these last few days. Where are all the people? Where's all the excitement? I think that people are just distracted with stocks and other things right now. This may be the perfect setup for Bitcoin to have a sleeper rally. Now, lots of people, and myself included, even 2 years ago, were looking for a 48, 50K high, then a retracement to follow that 2019 bear market into bull market, into bear market, into bull market rally. But we may be looking at something new here. Bitcoin has never seen an all-time high pre-halving. Not exactly calling for that yet. We're still too far from that. Let's see how we fare at 50. But we've never seen one. Nothing in this cycle, in my opinion, matches what we've seen in the past. So maybe going forward, our future will not look like it either. Very spicy stuff. Let's take a look at some zoomed out time frames. Oh, man. Oh, I gotta get this treadmill higher. New monthly high. New high. Let's go. All-time highs. I believe we all could be at all-time highs today if we just try hard enough and have the right connections. February, blasting past 49.1 last month. We are now at a higher high. A barely visible bottom wick on the February candle. Q1 looks freaking gorgeous now. Last month's close was a little rough. January in this kind of spinning top. Monthly close, wick on top, wick on bottom, thin body. Usually, or I'd say more often than not, a reversal sign. But February said, F you, buddy. No reversal sign here, blasting higher. At this point, 50K is roughly what sits in the way. As I was saying, psychological number. These don't tend to be necessarily big, major reversals, but tend to be pit stops. Hitting 49.1 pre-halving, or not pre-halving, pre-ETF, man, was pretty much close enough in my opinion. But outside of that 50K, almost nothing stands in our way. Looking at the monthly chart, and this has been a great guide. This has really brought us a ton of really great take profit targets this year and last year even. 61.3. Are we going to get to 61.3 before we see any retracement? It would be very confusing to see 61.3 hit and then no retracement. Anything's possible. We are seeing kind of a different vibe to this market than we've seen in the past. Come on. I got to make another folder. Here we are. I'll do it this way. Nah, I'll do it later. Don't care. Don't care. There we are. 61.3. Maybe 61.3, then back to 45. That'd be a nice 20-ish% retracement. I don't know, man. At this point, with our higher high here, structurally, Anything is possible on this chart. Bitcoin maybe even inching up as I ramble. Let's pull up the low time frames. Yep. Inching up as I ramble, fam. Let's get the hype going. We're going to get the hype tunes blasting. We played Mortals. Let's get some classics here. If you guys have any requests, we'll try to put them on. 49.8, man. This is like a nail biter. I've got a little anxiety here. Inching up. No blasting movement. No blasting pattern going on. Just this kind of crumble up. Not a bad way to do it. But it is keeping me on the edge of my treadmill. Holy moly. Come on. 50K today. Let's go. Let me pull up the chat here for a minute. Who thinks in this chat with 275 viewers? Holy crap, that is low. Let's get these numbers up. Let's get these numbers up. Who thinks that we're hitting 50K today? Put a 1 in chat. I'm putting a 1 in the chat. Steady lads. Deploying more capital. That's right, brother. Put a 1 in chat if you think we're hitting 50K today. Put a 2 in chat if you don't want to put a 1 in chat. What do you think? 50 and up? Highway to heaven? Highway to hell, baby. 49.8. 49.8. 49.9. Let's go. Let's do it. We got it. Got it. Man, I have time to do my hair. I have time to wash my face, clean up. That's all right. I do it every day for you. When the spice commands. There we go. I'm seeing some ones. What's up, Jacob? Frosted Flake, Gregory, Sprouksy, Morphine, Kyle, Muhammad, Vivi, Andrew, Al, John, Sean, Monkey, Giacomo, Crypto Poppy, Thor's Hammer, Archer, Flezik, Koksa, Kikwaju, Evade, Gold Dragon, Tom. What's up, Tom? Brent, Floor is Lava. Yeah, it'll be next. The delay is massive. That's YouTube, brother. Live streaming. It's, I don't know, less than a minute-ish. That's live streaming. CPL Archer ES. Who else do we got? Zero Moni. Must have a mustache. I'm sorry, man. I just freaking shaved. Oh, 50K party. 50K party. What's up, Flags? Rippin'. That's right. That's right. Mattis says 2. Thank you for the 2. Boat Fund. What's up, Flags? Bone. Social. SoCal Nacho. Sasha. Mighty. Jackin. Optic Earth. Pishta. Awesome Mystic. 1J. Am I walking? Nah, man. Why walking? You stream for like 30 minutes every few days. I don't think you've ever seen our channel, Mr. 1J. I don't know. How is that even related to walking? I don't got time for you, hater. We got 50K on the way. I don't have time for the negativity. I don't have time. I always go out of my way. I like to make fun of people making fun of me, but I won't today. Too many good vibes going on. I can't let it bring me down. Foxy, how you doing, bro? Rising Sun, Ricardo, Alan, Greg. Everybody's here, man. Here's what we need. This is getting spicy as hell. 50K is at our fingertips. We just started streaming. We went live early. Here's what I need from you guys. Please smash that like button. We need to get the engagement up on this stream. We have 270-ish viewers. That's wonderful. I appreciate every single one of you, but let's get this stream hyping. The more engagement it gets, the more YouTube will show it to new people. Engagement is liking, subscribing, chatting, voting in polls, sharing stream. You know the deal, guys. Let's get it going. It's going to be spicy. Walking hater. Yeah. Nope, not today. Not today, Satan. Not today. Not today. I ain't got time. There we go. Look at that string of 5-minute candles just blasting up. 49,920. $80 away from 50K again, baby. Let's go. Must have mustache with the $5. Happy 50K. Happy 50K day. Let's go. Let's go. Are you not DCAing pickle? That doesn't sound like a good pickle to me. That's not a good pickle. All pickles must DCA. Let's take a look at this hourly. Beast mode. Full on beast mode. Let's go. Full on beast mode. I don't even want to go over the streams from... I don't even go over the trades from last stream. I don't want to do anything. I just want to watch the chart go up. There we are. 49.1 was the previous yearly high. 49,970. 50K right here at our fingertips, my friends. It's coming. Let's put on the floor is lava. The floor is lava. I don't know why I can never find that one. You never can find it in the search. No idea why. Let's mute this. Let's go over here. The floor is lava. Yeah, I need a little floor is lava. Is this really a song for preschoolers? Did I just like figure this out in real time that this is like for children? I don't doubt it. But I typed that into YouTube and it was all cartoon for kids. Oh my. Oh my. Let's try this way. Lava. Just not. Where did I find it last time? I don't know, man. Look, I'm not paying attention. Bitcoin's not going up. There it is. 50K. Let's go. 50K. Let's go. 49.99. Or maybe it did hit 50 on the dot. It might have hit 50 on the dot. This is a big day. We have not been here. Nope. 49998 on Coinbase. We have not been at 50K. Oh, man. For some time. Let's see. Going to the left. The last time Bitcoin was at this price was in December of 2021. Whoa. Whoa. That's over 2 years ago. We're here at the brink. 49.999, boys. Boys. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm going to get ready to take a screenshot. Got to screenshot it. If you don't screenshot it, did it even happen? Probably not. Probably didn't. 49.991. Come on. Come on. Come on. Zoom into the second candle. Into the second. Look at this. Look at these candles on the 1 second here on Coinbase. Look at this. Bears defending that psychological 50K mark. Just at $1 underneath. Sideways. These are really weird looking 1 second candles. I'm not going to lie. If you zoom out, you won't find them like that very often. Yeah, not at all. Not at all. That flat top. Holy moly. Uh-oh. I guess we're going to go back to the black screen because it's not screenshot time. Default. There we go. See, I was trying to trick it. I was trying to trick it into doing that. I think it worked. It'll go. It'll go. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. 49.960, 49.980, 49.993. Come on. 50K. I saw it. I saw it. Did you see it? If you blinked, you missed it. Go back to the white background. I need it to say 50,000. I need a screenshot. Come on. One more time. One more time. Do it for Crown. We're going to be DJing all day. We're going to need a little bit of this. Come on. Son of a bitch. I swear I saw it. You guys saw it, right? 49.9, 50. It did hit it. I swear. I swear if that's it, I'm going to be so sad. Keep moving. Keep moving, boys. Check out this volume quick. Do we have good volume at 50? I'd prefer not to see good volume at 50, honestly. Ah, no. We're so zoomed in. Volume is up ever since we broke 49.1, but we're not seeing kind of extreme volume yet at 50, although that's pretty high. Hold up, I gotta move this quote. Let's go. Let's go. Don't stop now, buddy. Keep going. I didn't get the screenshot. Son of a bitch. Sorry. Everybody take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. We hit 50K. Was official. I can still take a screenshot of it. Just won't say 50K on it, which is kind of a bummer. Yes, I'll do this. All right, we got a lot to look at too. We got a lot of other stuff too. I really just want this 50K. I think that I'm gonna sleep better from now on. Just knowing it hit 50,000. It's been so long, guys. We did it. We made it. It's gonna be all right. Let's tweet it. We gotta tweet it. We gotta tweet it. There we go. What's happening, Twitter? Let's go. There we are. Let's post it. There it is. Share it with the chat. If you guys want to hype it up, go for it. There we go. We got like 500 viewing now. It's picking up. People are finding their way. And what a day to find your way. Bitcoin just hit 50K seconds ago. It's retreated a little bit. Nothing to worry about yet. Down. Working on its way to a 1% retracement from 50. Hit it exactly to the penny. Actually, we zoomed in on the second time frame, and we saw some pretty, I'll call it inorganic looking price action on the 1 second. Kind of like Bart Simpson, actually a real Bart Simpson. Very flat. Bears defending that 50,000 mark. Looks like they lost it for just a quarter of a second at 50. All right, I'll take it. The 1 second time frame seems right today. What's up, J Core? How you doing, bro? How you doing, brother? Where is this? I know why I'm warm already. Because it's spicy. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Is it Watch Out? I really want to play this song. I guess they don't have it on this player anymore. Here we go. I found it. Let's mute this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Spice gods, deliver to us a higher than 50k Bitcoin, please. The floor is lava, and we will watch out. 5 minutes shaping up. I'll take that. Actually, hold up. There we are, much better. Let's go. Total is not broken out yet. Interesting. It's lava. Total crypto market cap still sitting underneath its ETF day high. Interesting. What we can extrapolate from that, since Bitcoin is a higher price, is that Bitcoin dominance has risen since the 11th of January. That's it. That's it. Total reflecting Bitcoin very closely. Let's go. Let's go. You're feeling super spicy. That's the right level of spice. Monday, boys. 50,000 on the table. Tested once. I don't see a rejection quite yet. We may be going higher. Look at this day. Beautiful. Beautiful. Inverse reaction, yes. If this music controls a $1 trillion market cap, we got bigger problems. $200 move is a 0.5 move. 0.5% move down from 50K. On the hour, nothing has changed. Opening a little red candle. Where did that close? 49984. The floor is lava. Such a good song. Such a good song. I want to put on this mix for you guys, but I'm worried we'll get DCMA'd, so I don't know if I should. We'll see if I feel ballsier later. All right. Get the tunes back on. Let's get into the charts. Bitcoin taking a little breather here for those tuning in at 50K. It touched it just minutes ago in the last 10 minutes. We're seeing a new hourly candle roll over. The timing of that 50K touch, of course, is right at the end of the hour. Little chilling here on the hour, not a lot really to worry about at this point. Certainly it could continue to sell off, that's not out of the question, but we've moved from 50 to 49.8. A $200 move at this point is less than 0.5%. So it's a very, very small pullback. On the day, it's hardly even noticeable. These candles are very juicy. Very, very juicy. Market site for B. I don't like that VWAP coming down, but it's okay. That's not a big deal. Not a big deal. Let's see. Luxalgo gave us that beautiful. Who was here on Friday? If you were here on Friday, you saw Luxalgo give us what's looking to be some of the best entries on these charts. Absolutely bonkers. 43K still in the long. There's no X to cancel out the position. Luxalgo, a great partner of this channel. Check him out. Use my link for a discount. Also, FAMX, our sponsors. All right, I got them out of the way. They're out of the way. Ooh. I have to open that window a little more. Let's see. Weekly still looking absolutely gorgeous. Money flow just trending up. Clear uptrend here. Higher highs. Momentum moving up. VWAP moving up. The weekly not indicating this rally is over. Not indicating. Man, there's just not a lot left. This is it. It's like 50K and then 61. And then I guess you could say all-time high. But that's redundant. I've never had these shades fog up this much. You know, every time I look away, it seems to go up. Maybe I should just not look at it. What do you guys think? Music stopped. Now it's going back up. Sweating in the morning, boys. Sweating in the morning, getting green candles. Just waiting. Waiting on the world to change. What else should we be looking at today, everyone? On my mind, what I have seen, I got an alert for Litecoin. I don't know if Litecoin's actually done anything, but I got an alert for it. Nah, not a lot of spice there yet. Caspa definitely making moves. Definitely making moves since the last stream. Heading to 15.4. Sounds about right. Dave Digital, my guy. What's up, man? Actually, needs 30 more subs. Can't push her over the mark. I mean, I can only subscribe once. But let's see what we can do. Do we think we can get Miss Team Crypto? Randy, do we think we can get her 30 subs? Who isn't subscribed to Randy? She's like my favorite creator other than myself. She's up there with Casper, Crypto Face, etc. She's a G. Here, I'll put it in the chat. Wow. I don't know if it's the treadmill or if it's just me being hot or it's the markets being spicy, man, but I'm fogging up, feeling warm. Let's take a look at Caspa. Make sure we have tons of alerts set. I don't want to miss any kind of Bitcoin pump here. I want to know what else you guys are looking at too, though. Caspa closed a beautiful weekly. In fact, almost the highest weekly ever. Second highest weekly. 15.6 cents. 15.5 looking very, very likely at this point. Hardly even an upside target. If Caspa can break through its previous high at 15.5, we've got 20 cents sitting above it as our 1618 extension and a beautiful 25 cents at the two measured move. 20 and 25 cents are awesome targets. Bought my Caspa back at 10. I might load some off at 20 and 25 if they come. That's looking very good. Is there an alert? No. Looking very good. BCH, of course. I was just thinking about you, Bcashy. I was like, where's Bcashy been? Because I got a Bcash alert. Bcashy, of course, wants to look at Bcashy. I'll pull it up. But what are you guys looking at? What are you looking at, Joey Crypto Duck? Soft Shell. Hi, Tommy. I love her. You remember? Hell yeah. Love Miss Teen Crypto. Love. It's Randy now. It's Randy Hipper. It's not Miss Teen Crypto anymore. Proud of her. I'm really proud of her for rebranding. That could not have been easy. I remember when I first met her and I was like, so what are you going to do when you're not a teen anymore? And she's like, I don't know. Proud of her. We'll look at Bcashy then. What else are we looking at? Mara. Hot? Damn, I haven't heard hot in a long time, dude. I haven't heard hot in a long time. I don't think I even have a Mara chart. Maybe we can open a Mara chart while Bitcoin's being a dick. I'm really glad that we got to see it hit 50K. Even if we just chill here today. Let's see. I want to see what the poll says. Dude, Mara doesn't exist. Mara? Doesn't exist, dude. It's not traded. What? Can't look at that. It's not even on TradingView. Don't look at you, Chirp Pals, dude. All right, that's funny. That's good. That's actually good right there, guys. That is quality. That is entertainment. Don't look at me, Chirpow. Don't look at me. No, don't look at me, Chirpow. I'm not coming out. Tom Cruise, get out of the closet. I'm not coming out. Chirpow's data not coming out. Osmo, STX. Yes, I already have STX. I guess I don't have it pulled up. I have it pulled up on my phone. STX definitely getting looked at. Hitting $2 today. Let's go. Let's go. STX trade. Looking for that 87%, an unreasonable percent on this trade here. Posted live. Live trades every day. Make sure you're subscribed and in the Discord. Hitting that $2 mark. Here's how I would play this right now. If I'd taken this trade, which I did not, I already had stacks, from 150, you're now at $2. That is a 33% move. If I was on leverage, I'd probably close it. Probably take my profits at 2. If it was a spot play, depends on my timeline. If it was a long-term hold for me, I'd ignore this price. But if I was looking to kind of wait in, wait out, I would take a little bit of profit at $2. Maybe half the position or less. That's how I'd play it. Not financial advice. Stacks right up against its multi-year high here from earlier in January at $2.06. $2.75 sitting right above us. Horizontal resistance from the month. Yep. From the month. $2.75. That's the target. Looks like it actually hasn't quite broken January's high. That's suspicious. Suspect at best. Horizontal monthly resistance. It's all that you have above you with stacks. That's it. $2.75. With this move, it's looking very likely, but I would still caution people to look to take a little bit of profit here if they're up in a good position, because that is solid. I loved this setup here. As soon as stacks broke 131, I said let's send it to 275. It's going to look good. That is a strong monthly setup. I cannot imagine a scenario where stacks doesn't hit 275. Now, I can't say that about hitting a new all-time high, blasting to like $4 or $5. I can't say that. But I can say it would be very out of what I have seen and observed in the past for stacks not to hit 275 at this point. No other way to cut it, man. No other way. I would like to see January's high broken, so it like a few pennies higher to really confirm that. Weekly looks beast. Beastly weekly on market site for B. RSI, beautiful. That was so nice, man. You got that. It was like right around where price is now. You have this cooling down of RSI in the weekly time frame, which allowed you to build up energy again, move higher. And for once in crypto charts, man, no divergence, no bearish divergence on that high. That is a great high for STX. I'm jealous. I wish I could be that high. I know you guys want to look at Tau. I know you don't. Maybe you do. I don't know. We had a banger on Tau. It's 96% trade. Live again. Yes, we do lose trades, guys. We do lose trades. See when we're back here, we lost one of those. We lose trades, but blasted past 488. Where to go? 620 to the dot. If you doubt the fib extensions and retracements, I would beg you to reconsider. They are magic. 620 profit taking target. Above that, our 2 measured move at 817. Yesterday's move on Tau from 620 could leave a little bit more to. Could be better. Could be better. Bearish engulfing candle on the day off of our taking profit target. Not the best move. Not the best. But 488. Very clear, visible resistance for price. Rejected before moving. I think you guys can read between the lines where the next move might be. I would not take this move because I can already tell the drawdown's too big from 488. I think I said 475. You can tell the drawdown's too big. Yeah. 407. 18%. Yeah, I don't like this trade. This is not one I like. I'm just going to rename this to now. I'll do it later. But I can see something being played like this. We've seen a lot of these SR flips lately. In fact, Bitcoin blasting SR flips back to back, it seems, in the last 24 hours. Moving to resistance, breaking through, testing it as support, finding support, and moving higher. Now, I will caution you, Tau is really up. It's up over 10x from 2 years ago or something. Going long here, especially at 565, seems really, really dumb. At 488, I think a trader with the right skills and mindset could make it happen, but you're trading something that's up so high. If you believe that Tau will continue to rally, by the way, at this price or around 620, its market cap, I think, is approaching 4 billion. Keep that in mind. Nothing says that you can't have a bigger market cap than that. But as you get up into these billions, it starts to be almost like a pecking order. You'll notice, for example, Sol and BNB did this for a while Sol was rallying. Sol would like move up to BNB's market cap, and then BNB would move up a little bit, or Sol would move down. It would like kind of keep that order. It's an interesting idea, but as it gets into these billions, it becomes harder and harder to move the price up. And when you're buying something already 10x up, there's a lot of downside potential. Just be careful, practice risk management. I don't know crap about this coin. If it's your favorite thing, go for it, right? Just practice good risk management. Don't be a fool, man. Don't be a fool. I think 48. Let's see. OP. Well, OP. OP's being OP, I guess. I was looking for a short. There you go. Here's one. We don't win every trade, guys. Mostly shorts we lose, actually. I was looking for a short there. It did look like it was playing 2 days ago, but getting stopped out, no problemo. 270 was my long target. Did not hit yet, actually. Might not hit at all. Daily still looking pretty good. Honestly, I kind of doubt we see 270. I think we're moving to 5 on OP. I'm going to move back to Bitcoin for a second. Let's check out the damage. God, I can't look away for a minute, man. The spice is too spicy. It's too spicy, man. Dude, what is the temperature today? It's 45 degrees out. Why is it 1,000,000 degrees in the house? It's weird. I have to open more windows. I really think it's just the spice. Are you guys feeling it? Are you feeling it? No, it's weird. I don't feel it that much. I mean, I'm feeling spicy, but I don't see it. I don't see the spice. Like you look at the numbers of people watching, they're really not, they're not like at spicy levels. They're not at multi-year Bitcoin high levels. They're a little elevated. A little elevated. I think what I said about stocks being at all-time high is true. I think that's what's going on here. One sec. I have to open another window. Hold up, fam. This is a great time. Hit the like, subscribes, vote, put something in the chat, engage. We've got more stream to go. Hold up. Smashing stuff as I try to open windows. Just like the monitor I smashed like 2 days ago accidentally. All right, I think I gotta chill the treadmill for now because I gotta stop sweating. Gotta stop sweating. Here we go. 5 minutes, seeing a nice little potential reversal candle here. Let's zoom in. Nice little V bottom. I'll take it. We gotta get tunes on. We gotta get them. What kind of tunes? On some housey, drum and bassy. Yeah. You know what? I just want to play that song. I'm just gonna play the song. Please don't DCMA us. This song, I did not make this song. Shout out to Dubstep Gutter. Don't DCMA us, please. Let me show his stream or his channel. Here you go. Shout out to Dubstep Gutter. If you're watching this, please don't strike us. Your songs are awesome. Let's go. Triple top coming. I mean, we only hit 50K once, so 2 more tests? Maybe. Maybe. There we go. Nice little bottom wick here, giving us a low time frame reversal. 5 minute coming on up. Money flow crunching. Everything looking good. Lux Algo still long in the 5. Giving us actually 2 minutes ago the long signal on the 1. Check Google Trends. Retail's not back. I know. Well, I know it, baby. I feel it. Do you guys see my glasses fogging up, man? I'm sweating like Usher at halftime. Dude, I am. I don't know. Now, you can't see it, so it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I don't need to be able to see anyway. I chart mostly from the heart. I don't need my eyes. Has anyone subscribed today? I haven't gotten any alerts. This is an older one. Eye of the Beholder. I am the Beholder. What's up, man? Welcome. Good to have you, bro. Good to have you on this pumpy of pumpy day. Engagement. Is 50K too high of a brick wall? Nah. Nah, dude, there's no such thing as brick walls. Nah. Will we break it? I think so. It's not guaranteed. I think we will. Vara on Coinbase is about to, in all caps, explode. What is Vara? Hold on, chart. See what this looks like. What else is popping? See the green screen. This is weird. The green screen's back there. How can you see them here? I don't care. I don't care. You're distracting me, pickle. Vara. Vara. Probably. Man, I guess. Yeah, this chart is meh. Meh. I mean, it can't explode. Doesn't mean you're wrong or anything. Just, I don't see anything to get excited about quite yet. Quite yet. Maybe I'll put an alert for you. Bop. There you go. Gary. Is that the Gary? The real Gary? My man. My man. Is that the real Gary Cardone? I don't know if he's in the stream or if he just subscribed unrelated. Shout out to Gary. Oh, he is here. My guy. My guy. Where are you? We're chilling. We're sweating. We got a Cardone joining us. As long as it's, I don't know, it could be a fake account. You never know. This cat. We're going to do a collab coming up here in a little bit. In a little bit. I think in February we're supposed to do it. I don't know. See what projects on. That's charts. That's charts, baby. What's up, Adam? How you doing, Adam? Great weekend? It's a great weekend. Wait, what a great weekend. This weekend. I was like, wait, it's not the weekend. You're trying to trick me, man. Beam keeps being on the top gainers. We'll open Beam. Can we tap 52? When? Soon, hopefully. Yeah, Beam looks actually pretty bonkers. Let's be real. Let's be weird. Be real. It's one of those big wick candle opens, and it's just bleeding to the upside. I don't really expect a fast move, but at this point, what do you have? You have 9 cents as your highest traded value. We can say 5 cents. 5 cents, likely a little pit stop. Not a bad profit-taking value. Psychological 5 cents. It's pretty close to the 786, and you have 9 cents as your all-time high. You broken your, we'll call it like your real high, traded high from back in December. There we go. 2-measure move up here. Doesn't really line up with anything. It's not great. Feel better if it did. Ooh, there's the cold air. Cool me down, baby. Yeah, Beam does look good, though. Beam, it does seem like with Bitcoin broke its trading range high at 2.8 cents. You got a shot at 5, baby. Bullish. That's right. Bullish. Stopped out. Why would I ever have placed a 1-to-1 risk to reward trade, though? That doesn't look like something I did. Sometimes trading view will mess with these. Especially if your chart's on log, you'll notice that long and short positions can get goofed up. SEI does look good on the day there. A little higher low. You broke your high here. Send it to like 7.8 cents. Maybe it's size 8.2. 88 cents being your all-time high, sitting right under $1. Both great places to take profit if you're in a position. Money flow coming back up, but nothing out of the norm. Nothing's crazy. I got to make sure it's not playing like, what did it play next? Didn't mean to have it on autoplay. Where is it playing from? It is playing music and the tab is not open. Oh, here we go. Let's see. No, I didn't tell you to play this. Hold up. Yeah, this is. Nah, it's not the vibe. It's not the vibe. There we go. This is what I was looking for. Little Rick and Morty remix. Feels Great Enterprises. What's up, my guy? Welcome. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the fam. Welcome to the #1 crypto everything, everywhere, all at once. I don't know. I don't know how to sell us. What's up, TC? What's up, Brendan? Dog at IMX. I don't know why I don't... There's something about the ticker I don't like about IMX. I don't know about the chart, but I don't like the ticker for some reason. All right. All right. All right. Looking kind of similar there to STX. I'll take that. Turn this down just a little bit. A little similar here. You have that monthly high, hit a higher low, you broke it. We're looking for just about 350, 348. I'll say 350. Instead, we got a month of nothing. Maybe that's why we stopped looking at it. Still looking for this to play out. If 350 doesn't slow price down, the only thing really left, really actually, there's nothing left. I'll be real. There's nothing up here. This wick on the month might indicate some efficiency. You can see price did this. Right? A little bit of efficiency. But that's basically at your all-time high. IMX looks pretty ready, actually. Very ready. I don't think I own any of this. Beautiful 1618 extension sitting right at our horizontal. 235 weekly resistance, monthly resistance. Not a bad place to look for a position if you get a chance. Something like that. Terrible risk to reward. Don't like it. At least a 2. You have to at least have a 2. Something like that. I think this is trying to catch a knife, but it is what it is. IMX looks good. Put the stamp on it, boys. I think IMX trades back to its all-time high this year. Put the stamp on it. Approved. Absolutely approved. What else are we looking at? Mara. Dude, Gary, where are you guys looking at Mara? First, let me double check. Make sure this is the real Gare. Because there's a lot of and Gary knows there's a lot of fake channels out there. That's the real Gary. Nice. Nice, man. Gary, how long have you been doing YouTube? You're already at 10K. That's pretty dope. Let's see. Let's give him one of these bad boys. There we go. That way we know it's the real Gary. The real Gary. Mr. Cardone on YouTube. Makes some great content. Check him out. Check him out. Where are you guys looking at Mara? I couldn't find it. Do your chart analysis of Pepe on Sol. I mean, if Pepe is normally on Sol, yeah. I mean, not just regular Pepe, yeah. Ah, Mara is stocks. Okay, well, I'll take a look at it then. That's why we couldn't find it. Bitcoin gathering its energy. Send it your energy. It needs every ounce of energy today. That 50K is not going to go down. It's not going to go down easy. But boy, I think it's going down soon. I think it's going down real soon. Did I make a chart? Export. This is why I couldn't find it. Because I remember I had crypto only selected. There we go. Mara. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Marathon. Someone should have just said marathon. Then I would have gotten it. Yeah. I'd probably, just based on Lux Algo here, giving us the close long here. Right at the resistance band. 28.35. In general, guys, you know I've had the same opinion. I was very bullish on Bitcoin miners, GBTC, coin, anything that was a de facto ETF, but into the ETF. I reminded you guys many a time that post ETF, these won't have the use. They won't have that function as a de facto ETF, and capital will rotate from it to the ETF, and that's what we saw. So it is hard to be bullish on miners just yet. Just yet. Mara does have a pretty nice macro kind of setting up here. So then invert the chart quick. You can kind of see this lower high coming in, maybe back to the trend. I can see an inverse head and shoulders playing out on the monthly. But how long will that take? I have no idea, man. Stocks move slow. Market saver B on the month is actually pretty nice. Maybe I need to recalibrate these thoughts. Marathon Digital Holdings. Let's see. Got to turn Lux off for a tick. Let's look for order blocks. Our favorite thing to do. Wow, right here at the 618. This isn't a classic order block, but I'll identify it as such. Boom, 52, 27. I like this though. So I like this. I don't know if I can be bullish on mining stocks yet, but I like this. So monthly in good condition. We're only halfway through, but you can definitely see the potential here to close higher than last month. Last month's open. Give a bullish engulf on the week. Then you have a 3-candle long setup, but that's not all. But wait, there's more. If you buy one now, you'll get another free one for your friend. Okay. Not only are you potentially painting this beautiful order block, and we'll know in 16 days. At the end of this month, we'll have a much better read. But this order block is coming right off the back of our monthly resistance. This is, for stocks, this is what you want to see. On top of that, there's more. There's still more. This is the best value ever. Right here. Not only is this your 618 retracement from 83 to $3. Damn. Damn. What? Did it really trade from 96%? Holy hell. I thought only crypto did that. I thought crypto was too dangerous, too volatile. Not only, I have one more thing. Not only do you have this order block off of support, here you go. Your 618 retracement is your essentially only point of efficient price action all the way back. I'll even say to 83. I can say 52 very confidently, 83 even. But you have efficiency here, and you have a nice little void right there. Can you see this setup? You got to put together a bunch of pieces in your head. But a strong close here in Feb. Gonna set this up for at least 52, if not back to November 21's high. That's pretty interesting. I don't know if I'm ready to love yet, Bitcoin miners. I'm not sure I'm ready to love. Let's see. Quarterly closed beautifully. December closed very beautifully. Right here. This actually looks pretty good. I don't know what the other miners look like, if this one doesn't look as good as the others, but like this actually, I like this chart now. I don't think it will be a quick move. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think it'll be very satisfying and quick. Even your 1618 extension on your daily local swing high to low sitting at 50. 50 is it, man. 50 is the magic number. How would I trade this, though? How would I trade this?
I'm sorry. I don't want to be an emperor. That's not my business. I don't want to rule.
Tricky to trade, man. Tricky to trade.
I should like to help everyone if possible.
You got all these gaps. You got inefficiency there. I could see price settling back down to that $20 mark. Painting a higher low. Tapping that resistance. Weakening it. And then making the move to 50. This is definitely worthy of an alert. Definitely alert worthy. Absolutely. What's up, Al Ajith? Ajith S, my guy. Welcome. You all should take a note out of Ajith S's book. If you haven't subscribed yet, join the fam. I'd love to shout you out. Luis Ferreira also subscribed. Yahya Suleiman. And then, of course, Gary Cardone, our man. Subscribe and love it. Please join. We are so close to 100,000 followers on YouTube. It is wild. We're going to get there with your help. Let's move on from Marathon. Man, did the hype already settling down? It seems. It's not good. Or it is good. I don't know. Bitcoin hasn't really retraced yet. From 50, we've seen as low as, what, a 1% move? 1.1. Hanging out right here. This is not the doom blow off top scenario that I prayed wasn't going to happen today. Chilling sideways. For today, let me really quick go through some time frames here. I don't know if I'm going to put a trade up today. 2 minutes starting to, or 1 minute starting to roll over. Same with 2. Once you get into the 3, getting a little more sturdy. 5 minute actually shrugging off that weakness. 15 on the cusp of rolling over. I like that. Right up here. Right under 50. 30 minute gaining some momentum. Hourly gaining momentum. 2 hour gaining momentum. Everything's going to be gaining momentum now. We have a new high. 4 hours the stickler. All right. I think we get a lower low than this, though. I think we get lower than 49.4. Maybe not. This is starting to paint really pretty. Not going to make a call yet. Not making a call yet. Not comfortable. But keeping an eye. I like this. I like this low kind of V shape. What are we looking at here? lost. Okay. Okay, no change here yet. No change yet. Dude, people are sleeping, guys. They're sleeping. Where is everyone? What the F is fettuccine levels? I don't know, man. What is a fettuccine level? Can I analyze ICP? What's the song? This is by Monix Falling. Oh no, Monix Falling by Dubstep Gutter. We listen to a lot of Dubstep Gutter songs. Hopefully they don't strike us. Please don't strike us. Up next, Tampa and Troll Face Headbang Gang by Never Say Die Black Label. Shout out and all credit to the artists. I am not an artist. I'm not a musician. I don't make music. I'm not pretending this is my music. Don't worry. That 4-hour close really pooped on the party here. Not from a technical level, but from an excitement level. That 4-hour close was right at 50K. Immediately after the close, Bitcoin just kind of lost a little momentum. We see that happen a lot. Shit, I wish I would have looked to see if the 4-hour was closing right before I went live. We see this a lot on the 4-hour. We'll see a large impulsive move, a large candle body, whether it's up or down. And then as the 4-hour ends, that move just settles off. I call it an indecision candle. We see that really commonly in Bitcoin on the 4-hour. I don't know why, but we do. And that does seem to be where we're at. Hopefully it's got some more surprise for us. This is looking nice, though. I do want to remind you guys, I should have said this in the beginning. Should have done this in the beginning. If you tuned in, I believe it was Friday's stream, we talked about this. I believe. We need this. There we are. On Friday's stream, I gave you guys the hardest alpha ever. Bitcoin monthly cross. Locked and loaded, baby. And you doubted the cross. No, not all of you. People doubted the cross. They have a habit of that, and they have a habit of being wrong. On the monthly, we got an Ichimoku cross above the cloud, the most bullish signal Ichimoku cloud is capable of producing, unseen since all the way back in October of 2020. That candle kicked off the bull market. That was after the halving, though. But here we are, at 50K, February, higher high, multi-year high, highest price since December of 21. Crosses in. That's the alpha, man. That's the alpha. We looked at this weekly cross back in October. It was one of the reasons we got so bullish. The weekly cross in October. That played out. That played out. If you're confused as to what I'm talking about, you're probably thinking of this. Probably thinking of this cross. Right here, January 1st, we got a golden cross, the first one ever on the week. People doubted that one, and they were right for a while, it seems. For a while, they're lagging indicators, right? That can't work out. They doubted the weekly golden cross. Before that, again in October, we got the daily golden cross. People doubted that one. So they shorted it. They shorted it, maybe that played out. February, maybe they shorted it again. Didn't play out. Bears having a really hard time keeping those P&Ls right now. Very dangerous time to be a bear. Here we go. We getting that lower low? Probably. I'd like to see this right now with price action. I'd like to see like this. Something like that. Come back down 49.1. Maybe just near miss it, right? Don't let people back in. Retest of that resistance from the ETF right there. Where did my fib extension go? There it is. Giving us nothing super confluent with our other analysis here, but we'll just put this box here. It's a dangerous day of trading. Danger day. Can't ignore it, man. It's just saggy. The 1 minute is like the least important thing to worry about being saggy. That can change in a coin flip in a heartbeat. There we go. Wow. Look at that RSI. Beautiful. On the 1 minute overbought. Just staying there. On the 5 minute overbought. Staying there. 15 minutes still overbought. 30 minutes still overbought. As we get out, we can see there's going to be issues here. Let's take a moment to reflect on some more game theory analysis here. Bitcoin has hit a new multi-year high. 50K. breaking past all highs from last year and this year. However, you can already see it starting, and you know what I'm going to say here. Something we have to be careful of. We do see a lower high, at least on, say, the hourly time frame right here as we zoom out. That's actually pretty cool, 4 hours back and overbought. But still, lower high there on the 4. On the day, here's the issue. You can see it. I'm sure you can see it. Let's make these a little smaller. There we go. Price has set higher highs all since October. Meanwhile, RSI has set lower highs. That is bearish divergence building. So the game theory or the analysis here that we're going to get beyond the chart. There are really two scenarios. One, we see some kind of blow off top. RSI doesn't make new highs. We have bearish divergence. Things look bad. And maybe we do get that big correction everyone's waiting for. Maybe. Or there's another outcome. If price continues, we identified 61,000 as the potential and most logical next stop if we see a breakout from the psychological 50K level. A move to 61 likely will pull this RSI higher than October's high and eliminate that bearish divergence. Two ways that could play out. It's absolutely already there, but with price here at a higher high, it's too early to say, oh, bear div is here, it's coming. You got to see what happens. If there's more fuel behind this rally, if we can move up, and especially 61K looks perfect for that, you can get rid of that divergence and you don't have to worry. It's hardly ever that easy. Weekly, not reflecting that divergence. You could say maybe right here it is, but weekly being against the daily, I like that. I'll side with the weekly. This is a clean climb, higher highs. What you're looking for, you're only missing one more piece to this puzzle. If the weekly is continuing out the way it has, you're looking for 61K. You're looking for that RSI to come on up, break its high, and just eliminate any kind of fears there of that divergence. Like that. Like that. I'm glad we caught the 50. Let's see. It's 11:45. We were about to go live in 15 minutes. That's when we scheduled it for 12 for noon. Here we are. Money flow for the first time in this rally on the 1 minute, breaking down to the negative. 5 minute giving us its first signs of rolling over, breaking its higher low after a higher high. VWAP's moving down with momentum. We're looking for this box. I'm looking for this box. I wanted to just keep rallying, but that box is calling. It's calling its name. That's right around 49. 49.1. Good block there. Aw, 15. You were so set up, you dickler, man. Keep moving. Keep moving. Let's see. Where's our low at? 49. Man, it's nice to be looking for support at 49.5. I'll tell you what. At our measure move target for this very, very zoomed in move, we have our 15-minute order block at 49.1. Why do I keep doing that, man? How do you get undyslexic? I swear I'm only dyslexic when I stream. At 49.1. Suggesting support at this level. It's right around where our extension sits. We're getting some signals of weakness. I think that's not a bad play. Let's see. We got to break the low here for that measured move to even be something. Getting a little bull div on low time frames. Just don't love that, like 5 minute into 15.
What do you mean? I was going to use your ship to destroy the rich assholes that run our society.
Dubstep, Midnight Tyrannosaurus, and Ehide, Planet Purge by Boom Shack. Human music. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Bitcoin's chilling for a little bit. What are we looking at? Yeah, we can look at Coin Glass. Love Coin Glass. Shout out to Coin Glass. 600. 600 viewing. So weird. It feels so weird to me that we have like just kind of the normal numbers, you know? Weird. What's happening? Ooh, liquidation heat map model 2. All right. Let's look. Fear and greed at 70. Okay. I just don't care. It's irrelevant. Nobody cares. Fear and greed is just not a useful metric anymore. not a useful metric. Let's look at our super charts, brought to you by CoinGlass, a free site. I don't know how they make money. Probably ads. Big old liquidations at 49 up to 50K. That's no surprise to anyone. However, let's go. Open interest climbing with those liquidations. This is very nice. On top of CVD up. Wow. Whoa. Good call, Pickle. Good call, my man. This move, I'm sure people want to jump to call it, people are going to jump to call it a short squeeze. It's not a short squeeze. We did see short squeeze. Don't get me wrong. To the tune of 35 million, which is pretty big. Not that big. Pretty big. We did see them squeeze. However, our other metrics are showing us or indicating to us that this is not primarily a short squeeze. Why? Open interest rocketing up. So the shorts did close. They did get squeezed. They did push price up. But in their place, they were, replaced by longs. They were replaced by longs, but not just replaced. More longs came in. We have higher open interest, about 2 or 3 or 4% higher. That's what you want to see. With price moving up, shorts liquidating, and open interest climbing, this is showing us that perp traders are agreeing with the price movement or supporting the price movement. Now, we're not done. A series of higher highs over the last few days. CVD, cumulative volume delta, also making highs with it. This rally, supported by both spot and perps, a combination we have not seen happen in a while. On top of that, funding now rocketing up, and that does make me a little nervous. I don't love to see that, but that makes sense. We saw a good amount of shorts liquidate, replaced by longs, and even more longs open. It only makes sense. It only makes sense that we see funding increase as well, as more longs are opening than shorts, or at least there's more demand for longs. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. That's exactly what you want to see. Funding, we already looked at it on super charts, but here we are, really reflective of what we're just talking about. OKX starting to see some big funding. However, sitting here at 1017, this is not an unsustainable level of funding. If we look over here to silly, that's a silly thing, a silly funding rate, 0.18, 10 times higher than Bitcoin's funding rate. That is completely unsustainable. That cannot possibly sit at that level. Same down here, D-mail USDT with negative 0.3, not possible to sustain. Orders would be closed, I think, in the matter of weeks, just based on funding. These naturally kind of equal out. They find an equilibrium. This is high, but it is high and it is leaning bearish. It is bearish, but it is not unsustainable. It's not kind of like OKX here with 0.0562. That would be a little more concerning if we saw that across the market, but we don't. We see funding hanging out maybe 0.01 to 0.03 on average, and that's not bad. That's not bad. We talk about negative funding being bullish and positive funding being bearish, and most of the time that's true. However, something you should keep in mind is in Bitcoin's largest rallies, in the biggest moves we've seen, funding has moved up with price, continued higher, and remained high for quite some time. So it's a little counterintuitive, just like everything in crypto, right? By the way, next song up, Spag Heedy, Give Me a Break by Dubstep Gutta. I love this guy. I emailed him and asked him if he can use his songs. He never got back to me. Probably because he has like millions of followers. Oops. Okay. Funding. No, not funding. Liquidation. We're not going to have any liquidations above us, really, except for maybe things open today. Yeah. Definitely a good amount of liquidations sitting at 42,000. At this point, 42,000, a 10% move down. This chart, man, this is just cleared. I wonder if we can see something on the year, maybe? We're going to get something over here? Nope. Concentrated liquidation, 17 billion worth of long liquidations sitting down 34K. Does not seem like that's going to happen, does it? Does it? What is this Model 2 thing? Let's check this out. This is brand new. Ooh, that's cleaner. I like that better. Okay, we see 47.6, 47.5. That makes sense. Actually. About $1 billion of liquidation sitting at the high 47s. If we do see this actually sell off and reject, which to my analysis, we have not yet. That's probably where we'd be looking. I think that makes sense as well if we zoom out. right around here. Is that right? Yep. That batch of liquidations right here. Makes total sense. Support, broken support, broke resistance. This is where all the licks are sitting. We have not seen this market really hunt out liquidations lately. I think there's an argument to be made that post ETF, this market is now much more spot controlled than it was. And that might be why we aren't seeing that same kind of bloodlust for liquidations. During the bear market, it seems like that's all it does. It just looks for liquidations. It doesn't really matter what direction. But we have seen something different happen here. Bitcoin still holding, has not broken, has not traded below 49.4. Friendly reminder, that is a 1% move from 50K, from the high. It's a move for ants. It's hardly a move at all. Let's see. 1.09. 1.09%. Stopping out, what, 100x longs? Something like that? That's about it. Volume. Let's add volume back. What's that looking like? Here we go. Volume was peaking as price moved up, and now kind of simmering out here, not showing a giant demand or agreement on price. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. I want to pull up Ethereum quick. I know I got an Ethereum alert. FBTC at potential support here, but that is a knife to catch. That is a knife to catch, my friend. 1618. Nice move here, actually. Technical move. I don't know if it's long worthy, but it's a nice technical move. Ethereum struggled to get back above 0.55. This was like our major resistance here after trading up to 0.61, let's say. Broke its low. Now right at our 1618 extension. Right at our support, 0.515. Potentially a knife to catch. Potentially. Let's see what the dollar pair has for us in just a second. Money flow still looking like absolute garbage, man. Looks like Litecoin still red. Looking to roll over eventually, but I think it might have one more move down. If we don't see support here, hold against FBTC. Likely looking at that wick low. Likely looking down at the 0.48s. Let's see what that looks like on the dollar pair. Pulling up FUSD. This is not the chart. Where's our chart? Is this it? Here we go. At the USD trade in the bag, baby. Last stream, we were looking at this. Finally hit an 11% take here. Let's see how it's fared. Moved higher, higher high, lower low, higher high, painting some kind of broadening pattern, perhaps, with a series of higher highs and lower lows. Not bad, not bad. 2,580, looking pretty prime for Ethereum. Let's see. Hourly showing signs of moving up. That's not bad. That's actually pretty nice and bully. Daily looking decent enough. 2,580. Great trade, anybody who took the 4-2s. Well done. That weekly candle is beautiful. We had some concerns about Ethereum settling up its week above 2,472, our long target. Settling up above, now back testing this on the week today. Well, I guess today. And moving higher. Not a bad look. Not a bad look for Ethereum at all. This is definitely, for me, evidence that Ethereum is looking to retest these yearly highs. 2,725. Weekly market cipher be beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just like Bitcoin. Higher highs. Clear trend. And dealing potentially with bearish divergence. Same thing I said about Bitcoin. You might see the bearish divergence play out, or you might see a higher high and a higher high in RSI. And you can just clear it. It's all gone. Coming up on the week, or on the month. 3,300. I think if we break the high from last month on Ethereum, which, mind you, we did see on Bitcoin already, which is highly suggestive we'll see this on other assets. If Ethereum breaks its January high, I think it's going to move to 3,250 very quickly. That's right here. It was your final monthly resistance before your all-time high zone. That candle was threatening. It did have us in the first half, man. But it does not seem to be holding up now. That is nice. Bitcoin doing nothing. Doing nothing. Not 1 minute getting saggier. Price being attracted, being pulled down lower to 49.1. Oof. Oof. XRP ain't doing shit. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Take a look at Welsh. What is Welsh, Charles? Unga Dunga. What's up, Matthew? What's up, Revy? Matthew Schmeed, Row. Look at Near Protocol. Yeah, you can look at Near. Yeah. Let me pull it up. I'm looking for stuff to... I'm trying to find stuff to look at because I think Bitcoin is not done. However, I might have to concede at some point and kind of wait for this 4-hour candle to pass to see if that spice comes back. Let's take a peek here. Lux Algo giving us the daily buy signal on Near, so someone else is looking. I wonder how old this chart is. Nice. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought. Not as bad. Not as bad as I thought. Weak. Still long on Lux. Shout out to Lux Algo. Shout out to the Lux Algo, the #1 indicator company ever. In the history of ever. Certainly the history of TradingView. $3.65. That was your open last month. Near did trade down, and I don't hate what it did. It did seem to find support roughly at June 22nd's support level, $2.88. That was broken, back tested as resistance. We saw what is looking more and more like the bear market bottom, just under $1. Rocketed back up. Minor retracement, finding support right there at 288. Now, what are we looking for? Easy. Easy. Even if you don't think Near will continue, if you don't think it's going to a new all-time high or whatever it is you think, no matter what, I would say the probability here is pretty good. Painting that same order blockish type behavior we saw on Mara. I like this. A test of last month's high at 365 looks very good. Now, I don't know if it will continue. If it follows the rest of the market, probably. But great target for a short-term trade to look to take profit right there. That's actually brilliant. That's brilliant. This is going to be really difficult to place a position, so do it like this. This may not fill, but entry at $3, not financial advice. Looking to play this daily resistance. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's what I'm looking for. What's the RR? 2.2? I don't like that. 2.2, you know? I have to go a little lower. 2.25 is acceptable. There it is. That's how I'd play it. Hypothetically, that's how I'd play it. Trading above 365 sets you up for December 23's high, $4.34. Easy. Easy peasy. What's up, Sunchips? I see you, my friend. Thank you for the $5 super chat, my guy. We'll look at that. What is it? Meld? 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 Ooh, Bitcoin gaining a little strength here, maybe. I like it. Looking a little bit better. Grungy. Grungy music. I love it. We're going to give up all of our ad revenue for this. Although I turned all the ads off, kind of knowing that I was going to do this. So. Sorry. Sorry. All right. Meld. Crypto. Looks very low liquidity. If you ever open a chart, you can see it on the day, but if you ever open a chart and see what kind of looks like a Picasso, right? Kind of like candles where they shouldn't be, not really logical, they're not really connecting. It is a sign of low liquidity, low traded volume, which is not a great place to start. Not a great place to start, let's be real. Volume here certainly giving us a bullish story. Wow. Volume increasing into the low, decreasing back to the high, returning to normal, showing buyers coming in hard at this low 007. Let's take a peek at the month. You have a filled monthly fair value gap right there. 10 cents. Painting a 3-candle setup. We're seeing this a lot in crypto. A lot of these monthly closes are just looking to paint this order block, put a strong support underneath them, and hopefully move higher. So let's see. That will be accomplished at 1.81 cents. A close above 0.191 looking very strong for the month. Close above 1.091. maybe signaling a move to 2.45 cents back to your monthly high. You can see multiple rejections there on these wicks. Whoa. Let's see where we are. Right here, 618. Unfilled. Weekly unfilled down here, but this is such low volume that I don't know if I can count it. 1.5 cents. That could be a great target though. If price even makes its way down there. It doesn't really look like it wants to right now. With this low liquidity though, you're so likely to get stopped out. This is really spot only when you see things like this. Spot only. 0.0191 is the price to beat. Start closing dailies, start closing weeklies. Looks like you did close a daily or two. Start closing dailies and weeklies and you're looking for that move to 2.4. You might be able to have a scalping position up here too, right off your daily level here. You see a lot of wicks. The wicks haven't quite filled it after moving higher. That's sitting right at that monthly open. Yeah, this long has a lot of logic behind it. It actually has a good amount of logic. Not one I would take. Not one I would take, but a nice little scalping play. Resistance, break. What are you doing? You're looking to hold support to move higher. If you break underneath this previous support, yeah, you might still make your way back up, but that trade, especially in a scalp, not looking so good. Not looking really what we would want to see. I think that's a good invalidation. You can get a 3-to-1 this way. I kind of like that. Best of luck, Meld. There you are, man. I appreciate you, Sunships. What's up, Gia Freak? Pepe on Soul. Is that just Pepe? I'm pulling up the chat to see your reply. Is it just Pepe? ICP? I've seen multiple people ask for ICP. BTC moving? A little bit. Yep, I just paged through it when I was doing near and meld and said, ooh, little 1 minute strength coming. Not excited yet, but that's a little strength we weren't seeing. Money flow coming back to 0 on the 1 minute. 5 minute picking up steam. Ooh, 5 minute maybe momentum catching at that 0 line. That could be actually very spicy. That could be very spicy. The hourly close, let's see. Hourly close right here. We have a new support. We have a new local support, 49,610. 49,610. Yep, that's just Skrillex. Sorry, Skrillex, I wasn't playing your song. I swear I wasn't playing your song. I want to listen to this one again, dude. I've been jamming to this song for days. Just days and days and days. You have like a good playlist there, Gutter Man. Brutal dubstep. Let's see this one. All right, I'll take it for now. Heading to resistance here on the 15 minute. 49789. All right, I like this. Not bad. Make sure you guys are still hyping up the stream, liking, subscribing, voting in the poll. Speaking of that, let me close that poll. We got another super chat. What did you say? Is Pepe just Pepe, man? Pepe on Soul. What is the ticker? Because Pepe just pulls up Pepe. The 5 minute, I'm watching. 5 minute here at our resistance. Now, I don't know. You may reject here. That's okay. You can start painting out something like this. If we reject here, all we're looking for is a higher low, likely in this 49,610 area. That could be a nice little play. Yeah, you have this wick here, but your bodies are going to be painting out that candle. Looking for this. Nope, not going to place them. I have no confidence in these trades up here, man. There's too much spice. Too much spice. I think today is the day you chill. Today's the day you chill on trades. Just blast through. Yeah. We'll come back. Come back. ICP. What was the ticker? Pepe listing on Coinbase. Maybe. Yeah, Skrillex might get you there. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that from the stream as soon as this is over. Appreciated. Got stopped deep in profit. Hey, can't complain about that. So you think you might let it ride and see what happens? Just honestly, I don't know the future, man. Obviously. But if you're on leverage, I'd play that very carefully because that liquidity is shit. The liquidity is not good. Soul. SLP. Love the song. Yeah, I've been jamming Gutter. Let me shout this dude out. Dubstep Gutter. I'm just playing his tunes. Hopefully he doesn't strike us. But check him out, Dubstep Gutter. 5 million subscribers on YouTube. Makes some sick jams, dude. I didn't get an answer to the Pepe question, so I can't look at it yet. Unless it's just regular Pepe. It's just regular Pepe. Check out Pepe. Alright. That's Pepe. It's the Pepe. Boom. This is some brutal dubstep, man. Pepe rejected back there. Womp. Womp. That trade was sick. 40%. 40% W there. We haven't really gone back to this in a while. 40% W. 8% L here. We got wicked out on the short. But the move was right. Look at this. Look at this shit. From support to resistance. From resistance. Overshot it a little bit. Back to support. Lost support. Not a good look, actually. I added or multiplied this Pepe chart by like 1 million so that it's not a bunch of zeros because I hate saying all the zeros. So that's why it might look a little weird to you. You know what? Really quick. My chart here. There we go. Clean this up because that's a little too chaotic for me. A little bit. So. There we go. Much better. Much clearer. Here we are. Let's jump into the Pepe. A coin that we just absolutely crushed on this channel. I don't know how we catch the meme coins, but we do. Didn't know. Left a lot of people crushed. Let's see what might be in store here coming out. I know a lot of people still holding bags. Interesting monthly. You are below resistance here. Coming back up, confirming that 10.5. 10.5. 10.5. I don't hate this weekly though. I originally hated the daily that I was looking at. This weekly is not as bad. So you have a low, a lower high, a lower low. Cool. You've stopped out most of your longs, right? Come back up, you hit a lower high. However, that lower high really in alignment. It's almost a double top here. Whenever you see a double top or double bottom, your brain can start thinking about head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders because you have a neckline potentially. All you need here is for Pepe to not trade below its low, and you've got an inverse head and shoulders. So what do you be looking for? You'd be looking to take back 10.5, which might not be the easiest. This might be a pretty significant resistance. You can see all these weekly tests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weekly tests. On the day, it's probably like 50. Lost the level. Traded to the support below. And now you have a little candle. It's not a bullish engulf. That would have been a little nicer, a little bit more confidence building. But here you are. Almost to that 10.5. Let's zoom in again. Zooming in. Yeah. Not the most confident, man. Not the most confident on this chart. I like this order block in the day you've built. Looks like you're building it again. You're stair stepping up. It looks like you're almost certainly going to hit this 10.5, but you're still below resistance here. If I was in a position from, I don't know, the last few days, I'd probably take profit at 10.5, especially if it was on leverage. If it was spot and I had bought lower, I'd let it ride. Money flow in the day, Marcus FB looks like shit. See what Lux Algo's got for us. Lux Algo, though, disagreeing with me here, being a contrarian. Lux Algo looking for a long at 9.5. Price has moved up since. Resistance, according to Lux Algo, at 11.5. Ideally, if Flux Algo is correct, this is what you'd be hoping for. Well, resistance tap. Paint out another, maybe inverse head and shoulders here. This is my issue for Pepe right here. If you can't get past 10.5, you don't have much below you, man. You're looking back here to this inefficiency. Price really just moving up to this order block, which is fortunately the support you're at. But if you lose that, you do not have anything. You don't have anything. Till all the way back down here at your lows. That's like a 40% drop. So, long story short, Pepe may be painting out an inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. That inverse head and shoulders will start to be a lot more confident above 10.5, even if it doesn't blast off from there. If you reject from 10.5, things can get really ugly, extremely ugly, as the only support you have is right here. You've already tested it. You've already made an attempt. You don't want another lower high. I'm going to check if you have any opens. Here we go. You got an open gap here. Got an open gap there. There you are, man. I mean, it's going to get ugly. If you trade below this low in February, you have nothing. Pepe got nothing then. Just a drop down. You have an open fair value gap on the week at 6.65. That's it. You might be able to get a position here at 8.8. Right here on this week. I'll throw one up. This could play. I don't know. I don't like it. I wish I had better things to say about Pepe, but charts are charts. That's it. Hopefully that was, I don't know, probably not what you're looking for, but hopefully that gave you a little insight into what I see on this chart. I like the pattern. It just has to get past here. You gotta get past 10.5. Anyway, moving on. Even moving on. Noranen. Another $5 super chat. Appreciate you. I appreciate the super chats, guys. What I would really like, though, is if you have any new viewers out there in the audience, could you please do us the favor? Lend us a hand to get to 50K or 100K subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. We've had a few. This box doesn't always work. We might have had more than that and just not showing us. But let's get them up. It's a spicy day. Bitcoin hit 50K already. We have 630, 650 viewers. We have ads turned off. You're not going to be interrupted in your ad experience. Here we go. Woo, Bitcoin spicing up again. Being too pessimistic here. Did not reject. Did not. Nice. It means we're going to be seeing some more strength from these low time frames that were doing us a little dirty. 1 minute rolled over. Nice. 5 minutes. I like the zero catch. Get up there. Money flow's got to get up there. 15 minute. Finally rolling over. So weird, dude. I thought that this was going to happen during the 50K pump. It didn't. Now on this candle, money flow in the green. Closing higher. Blasting through your order block there. That's a sign of strength. That's some bullish strength. Look at this volume, man. That volume kick up. We looked at CVD. We looked at open interest. Looked at funding. Looked at liquidations. And everything was showing us this rally is supported not just by a short squeeze, not just by perp traders going long, but also by spot buying. This is maybe the most confident rally that I have seen on Bitcoin in a long time. We do have some kind of bottom, whether it's the bottom or not, we don't know yet. But Bitcoin's working its way back up to 50K right now as we speak. It said, Tom, you are too bearish, man. You're too bearish. Too bearish. Said no one ever. No one ever said that about me. Here we go. 49.9. I'm skipping the song. Ooh, it is Alley Cat. I like Alley Cat. Oh no, Alley Cat could strike us though. I mean, this is by Dubskip. Okay. Alley Cat CVT. I like Alley Cat. But I'm gonna change it. Make Punk, too hot to touch. There we go. Slightly higher high. Slightly higher high. Wow. Good volume on that higher high. That's definitely a little 1 minute rejection going on. 1 minute rejection. Can the Bulls hold it? Can the Bulls hold it? Hype it up. Hype it up. It looks like they're holding it, baby. Immediate upside targets 50.3, 50.5. Nothing really to write home about. Not really that exciting. 50K, like this is it. We are on the brink. That's why I'm so baffled as to why there is not 3,000 people viewing right now. I don't understand. They should be. Bitcoin right now, testing its multi-year high. Having broken 50K twice today now. No savage, no clear rejection. There's not a lot in our way, fam. Not a lot in our way. 61 is really the next resistance and maybe the only resistance. That's it. That's like a 20-something move. 24, 25% move. That's a lot. Here we are right now. The song coming in, chiming in. Right now, 50K on the dot. That's a good screenshot. Hopefully it will age well. There it is. Higher high. Let's go, fam. Let's go. 50 and change. 50 and change. Bitcoin. The bulls. We are the bulls. We are the bulls. Let's go. The hourly candle. Beautiful up here. Beautiful. 40 minutes to go, so I'm not going to get too excited about this hourly candle quite yet. But I love to see this bullish engulf come in right now, right here. And there we are, putting on extra gains. 50.1. 50.1. Hourly closing above 50K gives us a 3-candle long setup, an order block of support to be tested if sellers do come in. There we are. Higher high, baby. Let's go. We got 2 bearish. We got 2 bearish. There's Oliver Newman, my guy. Here for the pump, Oliver Newman. Shout out to you, my friend. Are you bullish? Are you bullish enough? We're never bullish enough. This is something, man. I think people are sleeping on the fact that we are now higher than the ETF. People are saying, oh, the ETF's priced in. Oh, ETF, whatever. We are now trading higher than the ETF from the highest point during the ETF hype. Something tells me people who said it was priced in, full of shit. Just full of shit. Totally full of shit. Don't know what they're saying. How could it have been priced in? It didn't make sense. There we are, back testing 50K. You know, we are 7-1 at the moment on our in-stream trades. 7-1 for February, with a 2.5 to 3 risk to reward average. Oh no, that's why I said too early to get excited on the hour. Always time to get excited on a new high. 7-1. That's like, it's like unheard of. Unsustainable. I'll call it that. Unsustainable. Cannot expect to have a hit rate like that. It makes me reluctant to put another trade. I don't want to ruin my streak, but that's nonsense. That's silly. Let's see. All right. 477. I think we're gonna get punished for this though. I want it to bounce here. This is what I want to happen, right? But what I want is not the way you should trade or the way I should trade. Where can we even look? Ooh, not a good candle. 8 minutes on the 30. Not a great candle. I really kind of want this long right here. That's the same spot. I don't recommend trading today. Not the best day. Don't like that risk to reward. It's alright if we lose, then we're 7-2. Whatever. Whatever. Risk to reward sucks. Mm-hmm. Three. There it is. A 3. Might not get filled. Son of a gun. Nah, we will. We had an alert here. God, I don't know how long this stream is going to be. It may never end. We may be live forever. We may be live forever. Let's take a peek here. Some of our recent moves. There we are. February 9th. That was money in the bank. You guys remember that one? Price was like here. And it barely missed, and I was like, oh, I guess it's not going to hit it. Or no, it was here. And price just barely missed it and came back to fill it the next day. Boom, banger. That was 3 to 1. Risking 1, taking 3. Profit hit. I don't count this one because this one was just for the patrons just in the Discord. But we snuck off a little extra longy there. I don't count that one. Going back to the 7th. Is this it? Going back to the 7th, we had a string of bangers. 1, 2, 3 in a row. That's where that big win rate's coming from right there. These are all live. You can go back and check them. Go back and look at the live streams. I don't count this one either. This one, I mean, because it didn't fill. What happened? Didn't fill, but it also, just the logic there was so concrete. That's a good watch if you go back. February 5th. Here's where we got our 1L so far. We hit a 2.5. Lost a 2.3 on a short. I think it was a good trade, though. Adding them all together. There you are. There's your trades from the last 3 streams, last week plus. Now we have one today. Are we going to go 7-2 or are we going to go 8-1? Time will tell. Time will tell. Getting back up there. Let's go. All right. I know I have more charts to look at. Noran and I forgot, man. I got distracted. Bitcoin was giving me alerts and stuff. Wanted to look at Cardano. Let's take a peek at Cardano. I know things were looking a little rough there. I think that it's improved its condition. Let's see. This is not the chart. Why does it keep loading these old weird charts? Like this one hasn't been touched since 21. Why is it first? Oh. I'm an idiot. I know exactly why. I know exactly why, because I was ordering them wrong. Whoops. Last time I looked at Cardano was back here on the 6th. It was trading below 50 cents, and we said, man, if this can just pick it up into the daily close, get 50 cents, this chart looks much better. It was able to do that, kind of miraculously. Closed above 50 cents, beautiful daily hammer, sent price higher. Sent price higher, here we are. 59.5. 59.5, man. Daily could look better. See what Lux Algo has to say. Lux Algo getting a little more bullish here. It actually got bullish back here at 49. Getting a little more bullish on this daily. A close above 56. Gonna look very good. Gonna look very good. This 59.5 or 60 cent resistance. She wants it. She wants it. 72 cents. That's beautiful, man. Got to get rid of a lot of this noise to see this chart. One sec. This is actually really pretty. You can see Cardano here having support to the left, right around here. This was where we found support, this 45 cent range. We talked about it for years now. Support, 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 lost it. Resistance, lost it. Lower high. Started looking really bad. Kind of miraculously broke out, right? You move to a higher high, and then here you are. Right there, that low, 40, can't even take my hand off of it, 45, 46 cents. You can see prices moved above it, and on the day, come back to test it as support. It's put in a higher high after. You're looking for a further retracement. You're looking to retest 67, if not move higher. I think $1 is a great target for Q1, Q2 of this year for Cardano. I don't know when, I don't know why. But that's beautiful, man. Resistance, support. You break this high, send it, man. I mean, $1 might be even a low target. You might be looking $1.25, might be looking higher. ICP actually looks really good, which is weird. Didn't expect that. This low looking decent, man. I'm just going to throw this up here so you can see this better. Many tests of 1340. Right here. Testing. Weakening that resistance. This looks pretty good. Now, we do have a lower low since last we looked at it. That's going to change our fibs up. Still close enough. Man, it's taking its time. 20 bucks. ICP, 20 bucks. Like, there's a wrecked trade. Ew, down there, man. We got too bullish too soon. We've been looking for $20 ever since the $9 back test here. I think it's still set up to go. Set up to go. I'm getting alerts. Bitcoin giving me an alert. Be a good one. There it is. Son of a bitch. Our trade isn't going to fill, is it? Oh, we've said that before, and they've come back to fill us, so. We'll see. Such a confident climb, dude. Let's go, Bitcoin. Where are we going today? I gotta close that poll, start a new one. I did close it, maybe. Let's go. Let's do tops in. It was like 51, 52. Now like 51, 55, 60. There you go. What do you guys think? What do you think? Tell me. Dime Lamberdad. What's up, Forka? My friend subscribing a few minutes ago. I missed it. Forka 804. If you're still here, you're the man. Appreciate you. Oliver Newman. I don't know if I shouted you out. I think I did. Oliver Newman. Appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate everybody who's here today. Watching the pump. Watching the 50K. Oh, man, there's a bunch of tweets I wanted to make. Bitcoin's market cap actually 981 billion. Let's see. Look at that market cap, boys. Look at that market cap go. 982 billion US dollars. Fiat is bottomless. They will never stop printing it. They'll never stop printing fiat. Not between your lifetime, my lifetime, or children's lifetime, children's lifetime. Never going to stop. There's unlimited, and there only will ever be more money. There will always be the same amount of Bitcoin. Fiat is unlimited. Thus, Bitcoin has no top. Bitcoin's top is fiat's bottom. Infinity. Let's go. Let's get that 1 trillion mark today. Alert on Bitcoin again? Nope, that's the same one. Oops. 50K, baby. 50K. Let's take a look at coin right at 148. There it is. Can it break higher? Probably. Total crypto market cap finally breaks to a new high. It lagged behind Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin break it obviously earlier. Total just doing it right now, it seems. Yes, in this hourly candle. Moving to a higher high. Moving to a higher high. Doing good stuff. I really want 2 trillion. That's such a better tweet. 1.8 is not a great tweet. Let's see. Ooh, buddy. April 22nd. Interesting. Total hasn't retraced as much. Dominance grew over this time. That makes sense, though. That makes sense, because Bitcoin's pumping. Looks like Ethereum's pumping. Bitcoin's pumping in real time, though. Let's go. Let's go. Anyone who said top sin's already wrong. Sorry, guys. That's what it's like to be a bear. Be the first of your lessons, but not your last. Here we go. Pulling Ethereum over. 50.3. We've hit the 1618 extension from our local price action. First target hit. Let's roll. Man, that was so good. 1 minute giving us better signs, finally shaping up. The 5's still kind of reluctant to get bully. It doesn't seem to be stopping the chart at all. 50.3 hit. Hourly looking to secure that bullish engulf, that 3 candle long setup, looking to lock it in 28 minutes. Just got to see it close above 50. Oh yeah. 4 hour looking a little better. 2 hours and a half to go on it. It is starting to spice up. That is the same level. Just about 50K. Just gonna be for this. Oh, we're pumping. They said we wouldn't pump. They said we wouldn't pump, and now we're pumping. Goddamn. Goddamn, boys. A little rock and rolly. All right. What's up, Jack Harrison over there on Facebook, liking the stream? Appreciate you. Facebook will take this stream down because I've played copyrighted music. You're not bullish enough. It's okay, but you will be. Wonder what gold, Bitcoin gold broke 24 yesterday. I know that. Broke 24. By the way, Pickle, you don't have the timestamp anymore, even if you have been. 24.8 about to hit 25. Highest point. 25.6. Just a little bit higher. A little bit higher coming over here to April's highs. And then you're cleared for like 37. Fun little story quick. FTX liquidations down here in November of 22. So in my not FTX, Celsius. In my account, I had pretty much just like Pax G. So when they liquidated it and changed it to Bitcoin and Ethereum, I think they literally like bought the bottom for me. Isn't that funny? I don't know. That's just lucky. That is rocketing. I wonder if gold's diving. Is gold diving? That's a good question. Not really, a little bit. 2018. 2018, Bitcoin continues to pamp. Let's go to Ethereum. It did set my alarm off. There we go. Monster candle there out of the wedge pattern. 26. We said looking for 27 probably like this week. Here we are. Retesting that 26, 89, 27. And I think actually I said 32 like this quarter, maybe. I don't remember what I said anymore. Coming back up. Ethereum really like saving itself here, man. This was looking really bad. It was struggling to make higher highs. The ETF pump brought it right back down to that horizontal, and it looked like it was struggling. But this move is bringing back hope there. Nice tap off of our TP target. I'm losing my voice. Oh. There we are. Let's see, next value. It already broke it. Damn. It already broke January's high of the 24th. Got an alert up there. That's quite a candle. Actually, let's look at the BTC pair. Because I was just being skeptical about it. Maybe finding support there. Maybe. Maybe. We'll see by the end of the day. Ethereum shaping up here if it can bounce. It's a great spot to bounce. You're kind of limited. You definitely have resistance right above you. About a 4% move, but still. It's still. 2,600, baby. 2,600, and Bitcoin is not done. It is not done. Where are bigger retracements? You know, I didn't even look at this. We broke our high. I was so like just comfortable being under that ETF high. Let's see. I love it. Let's go. Let's go. There it is.
Now you niggas know.
Now you know. There it is. I mean, the fib extension would be looking for 57. It doesn't really line up with much else, so I don't know how much I like that, but it is what it is. Hourly, still chilling, still looking good. Liking those candle closes above 50. No immediate sell-off. Things are looking all right. Too early for this music. It's been a playlist. I could have tunes off for a little bit, actually. It's been a playlist, so it's like kind of different stuff coming in. Different songs. Here we are. 1 minute still trending up, even with this pullback. 5 a little sketchy. I wonder if it is going to come back to this 49.8. Wonder if that's going to fill. Litecoin. Litecoin is crossing something. I got an alert for Litecoin. Yeah, breaking its high. It's so hard to get excited because every time it does this, it's just like chilled back down. $73. I'm still after what looks like 130 days. I'm still looking for $84 on Litecoin. Still looking for it. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Sooner or later, it's a coming. Yeah, I need to move this up. Still have that long open on Litecoin, actually. Done. 77. Don't bother me till 77, Litecoin. I love you, but there's other things to pay attention to. I think I was doing this. Doing this. What time is it? 12:38. Man, we'd only be live 40 minutes right now if we had gone live at the normal time. What's up, Switch Whisper? How you doing, bro? Thanks for subscribing, my friend. Make sure everyone who's new join the Discord. YouTube does tend to shadow ban us at times. It won't give you alerts. It won't let you know we've gone live. But if you're in the Discord, you'll always get an alert. You'll never miss the spice. Like today, we were live 2 hours early because Bitcoin was moving. That's what we do. We want to be in there. It's a good place. It's free. It's free. I might remove, what do you guys think? Should I remove the tip bot in there? It sends out too many alerts and like, I don't know. I don't think anyone really joins just for that. Maybe not. 6K is a fairy tale. Yeah, it's a fairy tale. That is. Jefferson Airplanes remix. Just love you, man. Love you, Atticus. Love you too, brother. Thanks for the super chat. 20K Bitcoin next month. That would be wild. That would be wild. I don't know, man. When's the Super Bowl? It already happened, I guess. I heard that Taylor Swift won. I'm okay with that. I didn't watch it. Bitcoin's at its highest price in 2 years. Yeah, since December of 21, man. Pepe on Sol. What's with the Pepe on Sol spam? Who cares? Let it go. Is this a weekly divergence? No. No divergence. Connor Klessinger. First super chat on a live stream. My guy. So much appreciation. So much appreciation for every single one of you. You guys are the best. Tuning in. Retail, not paying attention yet, but you're here. You're ready. You're very ready. Let's see. What in the hell, dude? I think we might be like shadow banned on this stream, which is odd. I say this because when we started this stream, we had 93,336 subscribers. Now we have 93,338. That is the lowest we've ever had. Ever. Actually, you know, we can do a little test of this. Is anybody here for the first time? Why is Bitcoin pumping? Because it's pumping, baby. Because there is a finite number of Bitcoin and there's an unlimited amount of fiat. People are probably hungover too. But is anyone here for the first time? You've never seen our channel. You've never seen these beautiful shades, streaming charts. Anybody? Even like one person? Anybody? I'm curious. I wonder if not. I wonder if we have no one for the first time. Because that's very out of the usual. Very out of the usual. Why do people keep saying Pepe on Sol? It's just Pepe, right? Why do they keep saying that? Change the title. Change the title to what? Why would I change the title? Well, I mean, I could try it, but like, change it to what? Maybe LFG is not good. Say, Bitcoin pump. There we go. 60K. I mean, no, not yet. 50K. Let's see if that helps. It's not a bad idea. See what happens here. Bitcoin coming back down to our trade, it seems. It said, Tom, don't you tell me what I'm doing or not doing, boy. We are 7-1 on our live in-stream Bitcoin trades with a risk to reward averaging above 2.5%. Way too good to expect to continue forever. Are we going to end today 8-1 or 7-2? We'll find out. All right, change the title. Let's see if that helps. I don't know, man. We've been live for like a few hours now. You had to scroll down pretty far to find it. The people not excited because they're distracted with Taylor Swift. Gotta be bots. I agree, Pegasus. I agree. There's probably some real people mixed in, but yeah, it's definitely bots. First time, hi from Korea. What's up? Admiralty. How you doing, bro? Shout out to Korea. Bro, keep your title. It's not a bad call. Just change it, see if anything changes. I'm liking the super chats. I appreciate it. We've looked at Sol for these on Pepe requests, guys, but why can someone explain why you keep saying Pepe on Sol? Like, why is that? Isn't it just Pepe? Why is it Pepe on Sol? Like, I don't get it. What is it? You said it's the same thing. Is it different? I don't understand. I don't get it. Let's see if just changing the title will mix it up. I did have LFG in the title. I don't know how YouTube feels about that. YouTube is a beast. Riggedy wrecked on the OP long. Let's go. Good to see. Good to see we're back out of this. I might be able to retire this diagram. Maybe a little too early. Back above our ascending channel from October, out of the bearish territory. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Coin trading a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Let's see. Let's check the damage here. I don't love this pullback. I don't really love this coming for this trade. Almost a double bottom on the one. Much lower RSI. Little bull div on the 1 minute. Money flow coming up. Little bear div on your highs. Really, no matter how you look at it. Ooh, going short, are you? $15 minutes still rolling over. RSI overbought on the 10. 12, 13. These weird, like, teens. These teen time frames actually look really good, which is interesting. All right, boys. All right. Let's see how she goes. I'm still thinking up. We did hit our first extension target. We have come back down to the low right before it, but not a first timer. Yari, you're the first time. Shout out, my friend. Sotomayor, first time. Cheers. Cheers to all the new people, man. Diaspora Yeshiva Bogata, first time. Little Pony, Little Pondy, my bad, first time. Nice. Here for the first time, Oliver Newman. You subscribed, I appreciate you. You're here for the first time, Sebleshtangetskit. Yeah, dude, seems very odd under 1K views. I don't know what's happening. That's okay. It is what it is. We might not be showing up in search. We might not be showing up like on home pages. It happens. Long-time listener didn't get the notification. Yup. Here for the first time. Not subscribed yet. That's all right, Retep. Eliezer Vinicius. First time here. What's up? Let me see. Anybody else? Anybody else? Craziness in the chat. 50K is a speed bump. I agree, Kazi. Up only? Sure. Up only. Sure. First timer, Yari, welcome. If you're just tuning in now, man, I do apologize. We've been live for like 2 hours. I've been yelling. Yeah, dude, what the? I've been yelling and screaming. I'm losing my voice here. So here we go. Something weird. We had 93336. And then when I looked at it just a few minutes ago, I refreshed it and it was 93338, which means in 2 hours, only 2 people had subscribed, which is very odd for a live stream. Typically we get like 100. I brought it up. We got like 10 more. Thank you very much, everybody out there. That helps. That helps the engagement. That shows YouTube. People are enjoying it. But like, that's really unusual. Really, really unusual for a stream like this. See, now we're kind of taking off here. 833 views. What is this, man? This is a weird. I think YouTube was not showing this stream to people. I think it was not. Like, look at this viewership graph. I don't know. I'm happy you're all here. We've got over 420 likes, so I'm happy for the day. Cheers to that. Hell yeah. You all have your blazing license. Go forth and blaze it. Maybe it's because I was playing Skrillex. I have no idea. I enjoyed those jams, though, so it is what it is, man. You almost didn't hit the like. Quit begging, bruh. Quit begging, Joe Reacts. Yawn. Yeah. I like to tune into other people's stream to criticize them because my life is great. Explaining the situation, but I'm good. I don't need to explain it to you. I already did. 12 minutes to go looking for this close, man. We've been waiting all hour. We've traded high above it. We've traded back down to the open, basically. Here we are, looking for 49.9. Get that bullish engulf on the hour. Get the 3 candle long setup. That's going to be a great continuation signal. That'll be great. 4-hour battle in here, man. All these time frames right at 50K. I don't think our trade filled, though. We're getting snipe east. We got sniped on the way down the first time. Looks like we're getting sniped again. I like this 1 minute price action. 1 minute money flow just rocketing. Clear uptrend on the 1 minute. 5 minutes slowly shaping up. All right. All right. Blasted past. That's right. We blasted past 420. Didn't give you, I knew something was up. Didn't give you the live stream notification. Makes sense. Do I have a long-term portfolio or only short-term trades? I stream mostly short-term trades because streaming long-term positions is not exciting and interesting, and nobody wants to look at that because it takes years sometimes. Most of my trades are long-term. Most of like what I do is holding. Absolutely. When I'm on stream, we throw up scalps, we throw up trades. But at the core of my success in this space is holding. Absolutely holding. Man, Bcash not above 300 yet. Never looked at it for you, Bcashy. My bad. Man, I'm going to lose my voice. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe I'll just whisper. Now, whispering's like the worst for your voice. Let me close some of these up. Oh, wow. I didn't even see that one. Who was here for that? December. 125% on SEI. Let's go. Let's go. IMX still moving. Pepe still under 10.5. Did this go? I don't remember when we looked at this. Was it that high? I'm losing it, dude. I can't even keep track of all these charts now. We've looked at so many today. Near, Meld, ICP, ADA. Dude, things are going to pop off today. You know they're going to pop off today. So you're going to, coins, there's going to be coins that go nuts. They're probably just waiting for this chaos to kind of simmer down. Waiting for Bitcoin to kind of give the signal. Ethereum looking to move to a higher high again. Ethereum, though, under its yearly high. Bitcoin now at new multi-year highs. Outperforming Bitcoin on the year will make things exciting. I mean, it's got a long way to go. It's got a long way to go, I think, right? No, actually not. It is technically up, isn't it? Because of this low. I don't know if I would call that out. Like, I wouldn't necessarily. I think it's a little hopium-ish to be like it's outperforming. I mean, literally it is. Or no, literally it's not because it started up here. It's technically down 3%. But Ethereum moving back up, making, coming up here, lower high, that would be a very spicy Ethereum year. Yes, it would. Yeah, it would. Absolutely. Yeah. Unfortunately, Ethereum has really underperformed versus Bitcoin since 22 started. Did come back. Here's yearly support potentially. I think it's got a shot. I think Ethereum's got a shot moving back to that 0.8 range. I mean, it's moving now. I think it's going to hit 3,200 in the shorter term, next few weeks. I mean, it could be today, but like, yeah, next few weeks. I think it's a good time frame. 26, still underneath your 27 ETF high. Bitcoin chilling at 50K. Your voice is gone because of vaping. Okay, maybe. Probably not. But maybe. You're maybe right. Mara up 10%. Okay, I was looking at it, I was like, did this go up while we were streaming? Because this looks different. Cass hitting 15 cents today. Let's go. OP actually really putting on the gains here. We said $5. We're looking for $5 on OP earlier. And it's making progress there, man. Yeah, it's making clean progress. Clean progress. Bitcoin simmering down here right at the... Of course it's going to do this. 7 minutes to go in this hour. We're definitely watching this hourly close. 7 minutes to go, battling for this 50K close. Closing below it isn't the end of the world, but closing above it is such a clear signal to the market that it's looking to move higher. Like, such a clear signal. These next 7 minutes could be spicy. We could see it spicy. We could see it's spicy. See, look at that. I changed the title. We bumped up like 300 viewers. Maybe it was the title. Who knows? I don't know. Don't matter. It don't matter. We're here. I have no idea how long I've been live. Kind of forget when we started. Oh, I accidentally closed the poll. Oh well. Looks like 31% of us think 51K. 60K, 55K tops in 21%. All right, that's actually pretty split. That's pretty split. I don't think I looked at Sol today, and Sol was looking very good on Friday. Let's see how it looks. What's up, Cheese? Where are all these people coming from, Cheese? Tell me. Appreciate the super chat. What is going on? And why did anyone ever tell us why people are calling it Pepe on Sol? Isn't it just Pepe? It told me that you quit streaming earlier. That I ended the stream. That's weird. Have we had any issues? It doesn't say that we have any issues. Who knows? Sol was looking very, very good. I was looking for 101. We came really close. 103.6. That sucks. That might have been the entry. Still below its previous high. Still below its local high here. So maybe that position isn't left in the dust yet. But I'm liking this. I'm liking Sol's price action here. I really wanted 100 or 101. We identified this beautiful neckline before it even broke out. Boom, 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 boom. Beautiful, picture perfect textbook inverse head and shoulders on the day with a back test of 101. You hit 103, 8, it's really like 104. I want to say close enough, but maybe not. It's like almost 4%. You might not get the back test, but it would have been beautiful. Would have been beautiful. I think Sol's looking to push back to like 120, if not higher. 137 was the higher of the range. You can see this position here. We were looking for 137. Hasn't hit yet. 137 comes from your month. It comes from say from your month. Your month up here, basically your wick high. I think maybe it's actually the week. Week. Comes from the week. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Comes from the week, 137. Top of our efficiency here. This is why we were looking for it even all the way down here. We were looking for higher highs. I didn't think it was going to 125 from here, but we were saying 75. We were saying 100. That's pretty damn good. Back to your efficiency. Above 137, Sol is pretty clear to the all-time high. This is like a 2x, which is an interesting setup. Very close. I like the structure of it. I would have felt better with that 101 touch. Market Cipher B is absolutely on fire for the weekly time frame. Let's take a look at Lux on the day. Lux getting bullish right around here. Not bad. I still think that this is the trade. Still think the trade's at 101. It might not come. Might not come. But the target, 120, still looking good. I remember we put this up here for the more recent trade simply because the risk to reward sucked at 120. Yeah, 1.17 to 1. I like 3. 2.5 or higher, but like 3 preferably. It's looking good. It's looking good. I still would wait personally for 100, but it might not come. It might not be there. 4 minutes on the hour. Can we do it? What's up, Hunter's Insight? My dude, subscribing. Good to have you. Azim Anwar, also subscribed right now. Thaufik Tones, subscribed. And Alice Ellis. Good names. Good names, good peeps. Happy to see people joining our fam here. Maybe Bitcoin is going to fill our long. We might go 8 for 1 on our live streams in February. I don't know, man. That's asking for too much. I almost expect to lose now. That's a gambler's fallacy too, though. Just because something has happened multiple times in a row does not mean it's more likely to not happen. Let me see who's here. I see Ayush Malik, Lifelines. What's up, bro? Bad Baptist, good to see you, brother. CA, I see Cheese. Did anybody ever get the answer? I keep looking away. Why Pepe on Sol? Why is it different from Pepe? Kronos, Dow, I see Domacin, Enrique Seam, Gold Dragon, Ayman Mir Shashi, Isaac Martinez, Jason Catlin, Jesse Ray. I like that name, man. Jesse Ray. K-Day, King Peasant, Kyle C, Max 8, M Jam Fan 22, Nomadic Life, Manuel Martel. I see you, bro. Put a stake on it. What's up, dude? Riker's Beard, Randy Greer, Relaxation Music Certified, Rob Rusk, Robert Nitz, Squashbuck and Scallywag, Tantana Montana, Test False Flags. You're still here, bro. And Monkey. Hell yeah, you guys stuck it out. Which first, Bitcoin to 100K or our channel to 100K? Well, with your help, our channel. With your help, our channel. You guys keep subscribing. Keep hyping up the streams, our channel. What's up, Doget? I didn't even see you in the chat, man. You had a head short to the 6.5 TP half there. Even stop now. Getting scary. Yeah, dude, it is getting scary. I have a little hedge position open too. It is getting a little scary there. What's up, small face, no toe? I hope you find your toes, bro. What's up, Lee Cable? I see you. Mark. Can check Alf? Probably not, man. We've done a lot of random charts. It's a different Pepe. I see. I see. Thank you for the clarification. Let me see something. Pepe. Pepe. Pepe, 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 Pepe. Pepe's. Pepe's. Let's see, is it on trending? I don't know. I don't know what you guys are looking at, man. I looked at Pepe and they said, yeah, that's Pepe. I don't know. What is there a different ticker? Because I couldn't find it. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's weird when you see just a bunch of new names all asking for a really specific thing. Yeah, it's usually a red flag, dude. Deezo. Randy, I haven't looked at Deezo in forever. What's up, Isaac? Marchampa, my dude. How you doing, bro? Soul update. We literally just did Soul. Like, literally. There you go. Need your con. What's up, bro? Jason. Pepe is on the Solana ecosystem. Yeah. I'm getting that from them, too. What's up, Anna? How you doing? Good to see you. Having issues with Google Pay? Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's a shit show. Better than Apple Pay, though. I will say better than Apple Pay. FOMO Sapiens here. Too many Pepes. I agree, dude. What's up, trio? All good? Everything's good. My voice is going, though. I've been talking for over 2 hours straight, so it's going. I've been yelling. No, Pepe on Solana is a different Pepe. What about peas? Peas. I mean, they're a vegetable. Any meme coin on Sol is beyond leverage, yeah. Gregory. How you doing, bro? Peas and carrots, I do too. This coin is different, man. It's always different. Can you invert Bitcoin and go over it again? If we invert Bitcoin, it's looking a little bearish, man. Looking a little bearish. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Go over it again. Do everything. Restart the stream. Only have it inverted. Are you really going to snake me on this entry, Bitcoin? Yes, you are. I think you are. Pepe. What's up with all Pepes, man? There's a Pepe on a hill. There's a Pepe with a hat. There's a Pepe with a cat. The ticker is also just Pepe, making it very confusing. Didn't make 50K. Yes, it did. We definitely hit above 50K. We hit 50.3, almost 50.4. Word salad. BeamX. We did look at Beam. I think I closed it. It's looking pretty good, though. New coin Zeta. We definitely looked at Zeta recently. All my alerts were cleared via a mistake from TradingView, so I don't get updates. There you go. That's pretty juiced. That's very juiced. We looked at it like the first day it started trading. A few adjustments here. There we go. Back to all-time high. Zeta, whatever this is. Zeta, back to all-time high, 220. Locked and loaded, baby. If you break all-time high, break that all-time high. Looking up here. 331. I mean, you're in price discovery. There's very little analysis once you break all-time high. There's your measured move targets using your swing high to swing low on a break of 220. This gives us 330 and 425 as take profit targets. Until then, we're just chilling. 220 looks very, 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 very likely, though. Not a lot of chart history. We'll see what happens up there at 220. I'll set an alert. Apple Pay is good, bro. It is, but not when you're a YouTuber. Apple Pay takes 30%. YouTube takes 30%. Apple Pay takes 30%. Taxman takes 40%. Like the $5 super chat from Apple Pay is probably like 90 cents end of day in my pocket. It's all right, though. I don't care. It's not about that. Not about that. Lemon and tea, I know I need to get some. Anush Khan, I think we're going to keep going. When 100K Vegas party? Soon, I guess. Soon. Thoughts on bearish divergence on the Bitcoin weekly there? I would say there isn't one. The people who are yelling about it are certainly the bears who have been bearish all the way up. All the way up. There is a potential for it. We talked about this. There's a potential for it. It's not there. We do need to see Bitcoin move meaningfully higher, though. Like probably 60s. Probably 60s. Might as well say it again. You have higher highs. You have higher highs. This is what the bears, the perma bears, are probably tweeting about. Hey, dumbbells. Yes, your highest point of price is right here, and you don't have a higher high in RSI. So that is the formula for bearish divergence. However, you are at a new high. This weekly candle just opened. You have plenty of time. It's not a divergence until there's some form of reversal, or even just like a candle close. I don't know. We'll call it that. We'll call it that. I think it's bear hopium, honestly. I don't think that matters. Like, the hourly closed and it was a shitty close. I don't know. I was really hoping we get that bullish engulf on the hour. That would have been a beautiful, beautiful thing to paint out. But I don't know if I can ask for much, man. This is still looking beast AF. It's gone. This is still looking very beast. Hit a new high. Trading sideways. Right at 50K. Wouldn't be surprising. I will, actually, I'll concede this, though. On the weekly, I think that's bear hopium, the bear divergence. But on low time frames, there are some examples that are maybe more concerning. Low time frame here, 5 minute. Higher highs, lower highs. Like this, I would say, is bearish divergence for sure. On a 5 minute time frame. You've had highs, you've had pullbacks. You're not putting in higher highs along with price. If you're not familiar with divergence, there is in this video, in this stream, there are links to the educational free videos I put out on YouTube, full length, and we have one on divergence. It's in the video description. Nice. Check it out. Get your lesson, get your learning on. Man, I want to keep going, but I'm hurting. I'm struggling. If you're new, you should definitely join the Discord. You should subscribe. Help us get to 100K. What's up, fam? It sucks that YouTube wasn't showing this stream to like anybody as we started. Nobody. I don't know. Maybe because the title was weird, or I don't know. You can see it was like shadow banned. Then it I changed the title and it started, I guess, letting people in. I don't know, man. It's all good. It's been a hell of a stream. If you missed it, there'll be more. More pump streams, more hype streams. It's been a weird one though. I can't believe we don't have 1,000, 2,000 viewers. We do have the best viewers, though, so. Gala Beam. Check XRP. Capo. Oh, Capo. I have a prediction. At some point, Capo will say something, whether it's going up or down, and then he will claim that he's right all the time. That's my prediction. 2 hour, 20-minute mark. Not bad. Yeah. 802. YouTube is weird, dude. It is weird. Low time frames giving you a heart attack. Yep, as they should. That's how you know it's real, probably. If you're sweating it in the direction, it's probably real. The fake out is over. Now we never hit 50K again. I mean, I respect your right to believe that, DJG09. But that's got to be the silliest thing that maybe anyone said on the stream. Today, certainly. Never again. I mean, there you go, man. Like, you know. If it's never hitting 50K again, you go 100x short right now. You're 50K is 0.14% up. You get 100x short. If it's never going to 50K again, you make that money, man. And you can laugh at me when you buy an island out in Bearland. Giga Chads and spam bots. I know. I see you, Ace of Hearts. The best part is anytime price goes down, regardless of the price it's at, he claims to be right. Yeah, that's every perma bear though. Just join your Discord. Let's go. One with nature. Let's go. Discord never stops. They're probably chatting in there right now. Great community. You never said never? All right, maybe I misread it. Then I retract. Oh, you know what, dude? I effed up. My bad. DJG009. I apologize, dude. I've been streaming a long time. I read that completely wrong. You said now we hit 50K again. That I think you're right. Yes. Ooh, that's a good sign. That's a good signal for me to wrap it up. I know I'm still live, cat. I'm dying. Ooh, all right. Open interest just flatlined. Open interest looked gorgeous earlier. It looked absolutely gorgeous earlier. Let's take a peek. We saw CVD move up. CVD still moving up. CVD not giving us bearish divergence on these highs. Beautiful. Spot market backing the move. Open interest, we'll get to in a second. Funding rate coming down a little bit, still high, showing traders still taking longs out. Open interest did peak here. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, but this, you can't even count this hour. Let's see on like the 30-minute. Yeah, a little bearish open interest. I mean, we could say that, but then, I mean, zoom out, right? And then look at the hourly. That's not a bearish open interest. Like, this might say the move's going to chill for a while, but look at this rocket candle. Look at these liquidations. So we got a short squeeze, right? And that alone usually would make me a little skeptical of the rally. But we have a short squeeze pushing up price. On that short squeeze, open interest actually increased, which is something we have not seen on a Bitcoin pump in forever, which means shorts were liquidating, but people were opening longs faster than they were liquidating. CVD making a higher high with price here, trending up throughout this entire rally, shows us that spot buyers are backing this move, short squeezes are backing this move, and even perp traders are backing this move. Virtually every aspect of the market has backed this move to 50K. That's very spicy. That's very spicy. We have not had that combination. I have no idea. I can't even tell you how long it's been. It's been a long time. Let's see what's opened here liquidation wise on this rally. 23 million at 50.5, 11 million at 51. Very, very modest liquidations above. Sitting down at 47, we see a lot of those longs. And we're waiting for this. 49.8. I'm getting sketched out about this trade, man. We might kill our streak. That's okay. That's all right. All streaks end. Captain Gauche. Subscribe, catching the marathon stream. What's up, Captain Gauche? My guy. How you doing? Donner's Tang Music. What's up, Donners? Ooh, are we getting filled? We might be getting filled. Getting filled. Getting filled? Question mark. Lower highs, flat bottom. Honestly, though, this is looking like if it fills, it's going to hurt. It's looking like if this does get a fill, it's just going to go to the stop. We are right at the 618, aren't we? Is there anything we can play off of? Really just right here, hoping this is the pivot. Hoping the pivot holds. Really, this long is betting on this rally not being over in the short term. If this gets stopped out, you're looking like rally's not dead, but you're not looking for, like, I don't know, maybe into this 4 hour, right? Like if that holds there, this 4 hour may just continue higher. But if it doesn't, I doubt it. Keeps getting a little shy at our entry. We got more subscribers. What's up? Mihai, Marius, Ardeline. What's up, dude? Or dudette. I can't tell. Hunter's Insight. I don't know if I got that one, but it's a cool name. Welcome. Welcome, fam. You're catching like 2.5, 3, almost 3 hours into this stream. This is not the highest energy point. Tommy, checking out Crypto Faces Trading Wars in half an hour. Sorry, I mean to make that noise. No, dude. I'm gonna go roll a fatty and probably have a brew. Yes. What's the site Tom's on right now? You like it? It's just coinglass.com. It's a free site. You don't even have to log in. You don't have to watch the Bitcoin chart. You can just look at the GBTC chart. But yeah, I mean, or you can look at the ETF charts, or things that track or mirror Bitcoin's moves. What is this? Why is Netflix here? What was I looking at? Netflix. This is what I was trying to look at. Interesting. It looks like Bitco is the only ETF. Maybe? No. HODL as well. Here's what's interesting. Not all the ETFs are at a higher point in price than when they opened. I forget. That's like an argument for bad liquidity. They're just trying to make the argument that their liquidity was better because their closing prices were more reflective of the spot asset in the last week or two. Doesn't really look like it now, does it? We have 3. We have 3 out of, there's 8 up here. 3 that have hit higher highs. That's weird. iShares still not hitting a higher high. Let's get this. Got an alert. What's the alert? Pepe. Pepe. It's not the Pepe they wanted, but it's the Pepe they got. Pepe hit 10.5, I think. Yep, passed it. This was the level, guys. This was it. This is the area that I was looking at. This is what I said is the issue with Pepe. You gotta close above 10.5 here. Closing a daily up there is gonna look pretty good. Gonna look pretty good. Rejecting from here is very bad. You can go back and watch that later. Coin Nosana. When should you sell? I don't know, Jason. You invested $1,000 and now it's worth $300,000, dude. Why not just take some profit now? I mean, I'd take 150 grand out of there, let 150 grand ride, right? Not financial advice, but why not? Why not, man? That's what I would do. Eth doesn't want to stop. Yeah, Eth does look good. Does look good. I guess kind of my meh vibe on it. Like, that's a great move. This happened while we were live. But my meh vibe is Bitcoin's at a new multi-year high. Ethereum is moving up. And I said almost guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed. Almost guaranteed to retest this high. But it's still underneath that high. So even if it keeps moving up, it's still not really impacting the chart, right? If Ethereum moves past January's high, 3,200, 3,300 very quickly, in my opinion. Looks good. Looks good. Just not quite there yet. What's up, Michael B? Michael J. Thanks, Tom. No problem. Wondering if the support test reflow isn't going to happen this cycle. Probably. What are you talking about, Jesse Ray? You mean at like 30, 31-ish K on Bitcoin, or a different somewhere else? Because that's what I was looking at. That could be the untested monthly 30s, just like 13.8 was on the way up in 2020. Does the short position have a better chance of profit? I don't know, man. That's a hard question. It's a short. Would I take a short or a long right now? Well, I have a position. Our in-stream trade. I have it up. I don't know. Watching crypto is like watching the Bellagio fountains. I know what those are. I saw the Bellagio. I played Hold'em. I played Texas Hold'em with Ben Armstrong at the Bellagio in Vegas. Oh my, that was before everything. That was before it all. People are afraid to take profits. Yep, they are, Merlin. If you're ever in the situation where you're afraid to take profit, you're up a lot. Do exactly what I just said to that guy. I don't remember who it was that said he was up 300K. Say you have a position, right? You can always just cut it in half. Take half the profit. Especially a good idea if taking half profit takes out all of your principal, meaning you have no more risk in the trade. Now you can just let the rest of it ride. You think it's going to go to infinity? Well, infinity times half of whatever you have is still infinity. Never be afraid to take partials, guys. Partials are good. Partials will put you in a stronger position to trade from. Highly recommend. Chart's getting you all riled up, Jess. Jess, you get me all riled up. You just got here, Shring. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whew. Time for the robe again. It is kind of robe o'clock. Probably next stream. We'll see if we're up. If we're still up on the next stream, we'll robe o'clock. Hopefully he took BitBoy's money. Yeah, you play against the house. It was like a weird type of poker. On your elliptical, charting and working out, Jess. Love it. You know what, guys? I'm dead. I'm dead. We've been live like 3 hours. Please subscribe. This has been a marathon stream. Bitcoin pumped above 50K. It's holding above 50K. I will update you guys in the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Come subscribe over at youtube.com/TomCrown. Join our family. I don't think this rally's over. I don't think it's over. I don't know if our trade will fill, but I don't think it's over. Whew. We'll find out. This has been nice. It's been great. I don't know what was going on at the beginning of the stream. YouTube was not showing us. She's not showing us to any of our subscribers. That happens. And that's why you should be in the Discord, because YouTube tries to keep you down, tries to keep you off the alpha. And it's weird because it tends to do it on the spiciest days, on the days you don't want to miss it. So make sure you're in the Discord. I appreciate all of you. We have almost 600 likes going on. Hell of a stream. Whew. All right, I got to sit down. I got to eat. I got to take a break. Hopefully Bitcoin breaks higher. We'll go live again or something.